Hello, everybody. It's your boy, Hey John, where I jabber opportunities nonstop, and we are going live, folks. Live right now. We're seeing Dogecoin break up to the M, double O N, folks. Let's see where we go. Let's see where we go today, folks. All right, your boy, Hey John, he's back. All right, folks. I am back. What's up? What's up? How are you all doing? Thank you for joining me on this beautiful evening, folks. Thank you for joining me. All right. We will get started in a quick moment, folks. All right. We will get started in a quick moment, folks. All right. Let's wait a few minutes and let everybody come in, okay, folks. All right. Let's wait a couple of minutes and let's get everyone. Let's be patient and give maybe 2 or 3 minutes, and we will get started, okay, folks. Let's give us 2 to 3 minutes to let everyone get notified, so we can start seeing the stream, okay, folks. All right. So let's wait. 2 or 3 minutes and let's go, okay. Just want to make sure, I get a bunch of people in here, so, you know what I mean? So I don't need to repeat the same thing 55 times over and over, so let's be a little patient, okay, folks? Your boy, Hey John, is asking you to be a little patient. We will get started in the next few minutes, literally, okay? So, by the way, before we get started, how is everyone doing? What's up, what's up? Thank you for joining your boy, Hey John. What's up, what's up? What's up, what's up? How is everyone doing? Let me know. Yes, I'm back. Yes, sir. Your boy, Hey John, is back. Again, I want to say it again. Let's give it a few minutes and we will get started, okay, folks? Give me a few minutes and we will get started. Let's get the people up in here first, and then we will get started, so I do not miss people right away. And then need to repeat the same thing 55 million times, all right? Let's give it a few minutes. No. You guys are the best, folks. You guys are the best, 100%. Thank you for joining me on this beautiful, beautiful day. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Let's go get them, folks. Let's get them. We will start in the next 2 minutes, okay, folks? In the next 2 minutes, we will go ahead and get started. What's up here? Okay, it seems like you guys are having a long day at work. It's okay, folks. You're making that moolah by working. That's okay, folks. You gotta work somewhere, right? You gotta get paid some way, somehow. So it's all good. It's all good. Everyone's gotta eat, right? Everyone's gotta eat. Let's go. Let's go. All right. How is everyone doing? Let me know in the chat. What's up, folks? What's up? Your boy Hayden is here. We will start in the next 1 minute and some change, folks. The next 1 minute and some change. We are going to go and get started, okay? I just want the people to flow in before I get this joint going, just so I do not need to repeat the same thing 1 bazillion times. Because you know how much I like to repeat stuff, folks. You know how much I like to repeat stuff. Holy cow. Holy cow. What's up, Annie C2018? Hey, John. Hi, Annie. How you doing? I missed you, too. I'm glad you're back. Everyone here is back. Thank you so much for joining me today, folks. All right. We are going to get started in the next 30 seconds. The next 30 seconds, we are going to get this joint popping, locking, and dropping. By the way, thank you for asking how I'm doing, folks. I am doing phenomenal. All right. I am doing phenomenal. Your boy is doing phenomenal. And your boy is happy that you guys are back here, folks. All right. Okie dokie. Okie dokie. Artichokey. All right. Let's get started, okay? Let's get started. What's up, everyone? What's up? What's up? How y'all doing? I am going to go and get started to the charts now, folks. All right, so let's pay attention and let's make that moolah. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Joe Bang T, what's up, man? Congratulations on 10K, but it's happening tonight. I like that. I like that enthusiasm. I like that. I want to see that 10K, folks. Let's go. Let's get them 5 digits. Yeah, your boy is back. Your boy is back. We are going to go and hit those charts right now, not later, right now. You've been patient long enough. I thank you, appreciate that. I ask you to be a little patient so we can see, the new. Oh, by the way, folks, I do more than just live streams, okay? When I drop the fundamentals, I make a video about it, okay? So I don't do live streams with that because it's not as interesting. So I make videos about fundamentals. So you guys should go and check them out, folks, okay? If you want the fundamentals, check out my other videos because they're not live streams. Only the TAs, you will see live streams. All right, folks, let's get to it, boys. Let's go. Let's go. All right. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, on the daily currently, the daily is looking quite bullish so far. Let me check real quick. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. The MACD, the histogram is going up. Currently, the trend is still bullish. Okay, okay. The trend is still bullish from this morning when I announced it earlier. The trend is still bullish, looking very, very GOOD. Good. All right. See there, the current trading day is about, let's see, low is 38.9 up to a 4343. Okay, folks. Our resistance is at 45 cents. Okay, folks. Our resistance is at 45 cents. Okay, folks. You heard it first, right? Resistance at 45 cents. If we break 45 cents, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to see new all-time highs, possibly 50 cents tonight, folks. Okay, so listen very closely. If we break 45 cents tonight, today, very soon, whatever's, you best believe 50 cents is on deck. All right. Okay, the daily trend is looking extremely bullish. I am doing fantastic. Thank you for asking me. Thank you for asking how I'm doing. I am doing amazing. How are you all doing? And thank you for joining me on this beautiful, beautiful day. All right, your boy is back, and he's here to drop some knowledge. Okay, okay. Let's go into a forward chart now because as we know, the daily is looking very bullish. Fantastic. The trend is towards the bullish side. Okay. Let's zoom out a little bit and let's make it a little bigger. Maybe that'll help you guys make it a little bigger. I don't know. Let's see here. All right. But don't worry, guys. I will do my best to clean this mug up for all of you. So be a little patient, okay? And let's get to these tendies, folks. All right. Let's drop that knowledge. Okay. Sorry for making all of you wait, folks. But you know what? Your boy does have other things to do as well. Okay, folks. The MACD right here, right, on a forward chart is looking extremely bullish, folks. Okay, well, you know what? I lied. It's not extremely bullish, but it is bullish, okay? And this is the bullish you want to see because it's trending up, but you're not seeing a straight, stick here. So this is looking pretty good, folks. Looking pretty good, folks. Oh, by the way, folks, if you really do enjoy these videos, make sure you guys go on your social medias, go on your Facebook, Twitter, whatever you use, Instagram, I don't know, the Pinterest thing, link these videos, and let's get more people up in the joint, okay, folks? If you like my stuff here, and you truly do, go on your social medias real quick and share a link real quick, folks. Super easy to do. All right, so again, MACD is looking bullish because we saw the 12 cross the 26 in the earlier morning today. But in the morning, I believe that we didn't see a big cross. It was just starting here, and I was saying, folks, it's looking very bullish this morning. I think at I don't know what time it was, but it was a morning though. If you were here, you know what I'm talking about, folks. All right. So again, 4-hour chart is bullish. So far, daily and 4-hour are both bullish. Guess what? The trend is your friend. If you are a bear today, Amr Fudd is gonna get you, folks. If you are a bear today, if you are a Yogi Bear today, Amr Fudd is gonna put a cap in yo. Beep 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 beep. All right, folks. You heard it live here, folks. All right. If you are a bear, Amr Fudd is gonna put a cap on yo. Beep beep beep. All right. Of course, the histogram currently on the 4-hour is looking very, very bullish as well, folks. All right. And the great thing about the current 4-hour chart is, guess what? We are resetting, okay, folks? We are resetting in the bullish MACD territory. So this means that we are going to see a new high and a new higher low. I would say almost guaranteed if we continue this 4-hour trend. All right, folks. Let me repeat this to you right now, folks. All right. If we continue this current 4-hour trend, we are almost guaranteed a new higher high and new higher low, assuming this trend continues the way I'm hoping it'll continue. Okay, folks. All right. So if you are a bull right now, you should be extremely pleased because I believe this morning I was calling out this dip buying opportunity or whatever, and I'm assuming some of you guys got it or whatever. So hopefully, if you got into it, guess what? You are making that moolah, okay? You saw a reversal happen right before your eyes when I was calling it out, and you are making that moolah, all right? So, okay, the current 4-hour chart, the 50 and 200 are doing a nice divergence, and on the 4-hour, the 50 and 200 is doing an even wider divergence. So this means we are going to see price pressure to the upside, folks. We are going to see price pressure to the upside. Okay, folks, looking very, very good for the bulls. The trend is on the bull's side, and guess what? It's looking very, very good if you're a bull. All right, booyah. All right, so I will go ahead and go to the hour chart just because I feel like it today. No, no other reason. I just want to show you guys everything. Right now right now I am doing an A to Z analysis. Okay, what that means is we are going from the daily all the way to the 1 minute chart. All right, so this is why I tell you, ladies and gentlemen, you want to smash that subscribe button and notification, because when I go live, you want to be notified. Okay, if you miss it, then you have to watch a live stream again, and whatever's. But anyways, so that's why I say to you guys, you want to make sure you subscribe and notify, because this is a live stream. Okay, so you don't want to jump midway and like, oh my god, what in the heck is going on? All right, and ask your boy, hey John, what's going on? And then you start tripping and saying, hey, why are you repeating it so much? I repeat it because people bounce in and bounce out all day, every day. So I try to do my best to give everybody the wisdom and education. All right. All right. On the 4 hour chart, this cup and handle is forming out beautifully. All right, folks. You see this orange thing right here? This orange thing right here is a cup and handle, and we are seeing it literally unfold right before your eyes. We are literally right now in the handle formation, folks. In the next few hours, I suspect, or even very soon right now, if all holds equal, we will start breaking up to the upside, folks. All right, we are seeing bullish pressure. Okay, the 4 hour chart. I want to emphasize again, on the 4 hour chart, we are seeing divergence between the 50 and 200 day moving average. So what that means is we're going to see price pressure to the upside. The trend is your friend, and today it is a bull day. All right. And now the MACD currently is the 1 hour MACD is looking a little bit ambiguous right now. Okay, the 1 hour MACD is looking a little ambiguous. You see this green circle here I'm drawing for you guys? You see how it's bouncing back and forth? It's kind of doing this for the most part. You see it kind of like, okay, doing this right here. On the 1 hour chart, this means we are seeing some ambiguity on the 1 hour chart. So this means on the 1 hour chart right now, the bulls and bears right now on the 1 hour chart are fighting for control, folks. Okay, let me say it again. On the 1 hour chart, the bulls and bears are fighting for control. Okay, folks. But guess what? On the 4 hour and daily, we are seeing bullish price pressure. So the trend is your friend, and today it is a bull day. The bulls are in control. So most likely, we are going to go to the upside. I suspect the bulls are going to take over the 1 hour chart sooner rather than later. Okay, folks? Sooner rather than later. All right? So even though we were seeing, I would say, indecision and some fighting in between right here, I believe that, give it some time, the bulls are going to take control. It is being evidenced by the histogram. Okay? The histogram is decreasing slightly on the MACD, but it is in the upside. So this means that the bulls are trying to reset in the hour chart in the bullish MACD territory. If that happens, Scott Martin, hey buddy, glad you're back. I'm glad to be back, buddy. Thank you so much for welcoming me. If we reset in the 1 hour chart, right? If we reset in the 1 hour chart to the upside on the MACD here, this rectangle I'm highlighting for you is the bullish portion of the MACD. If we reset here, guess what? We are going to see a higher low and a higher high happen almost indefinitely. Okay, folks, almost guaranteed. All right, almost guaranteed. If this pattern holds and this trend holds, it is almost guaranteed. This is a matter of when and how soon it happens, folks. All right. But again, don't forget, this is the 1 hour chart, and guess what? To get 1 hour, to get one stick takes 1 hour. So it is going to take some patience. All right, some patience. If I were a betting man, I would say that our chart is possibly setting up for tomorrow at 420 because because currently on the 4 hour and the daily it is extremely bullish. The 1 hour chart is looking like indecision, and the bulls look like they're probably gonna take it over anyways. So if this happens, and guess what? It takes 1 hour for one stick to happen here. Guess what? If we see like say 12/6 tomorrow, maybe like 4 p.m. or something, or 4 a.m. or whatever, or 5, I don't know, whatever time it is tomorrow, it'll be 420, and this could be the potential the potential storm, for a ginormous breakout to the upside, folks. This could be very, very possible, and we need to see what happens. Okay, folks, quick thing here, okay? If you have joined so far and you are liking this analysis here, do yourself a favor and smash that subscribe button, and so you are notified when I drop these hits, okay? All right, you don't want to come in halfway and miss stuff, right? So you want to make sure you smash that subscribe button so you are notified instantly when I drop these hits, okay? So I just want to say that real quick, all right? Just make sure you know. So when I drop these live gems here, guess what? You can get that knowledge, okay? All right. And by the way, if you smash that subscribe and notification button, you are doing a boy Hey John a huge favor, because guess what? You are helping him repeat lesser, okay? You are helping him repeat lesser, and therefore you are helping him keep his voice, all right? If you love your boy Hey John, help him keep his voice by helping him not repeat the same thing 1 million times, okay? So we can all be here right now. But anywho, I just want to say real quick, just in case if people are wondering, hey, why in the heck do you repeat the same thing so many god dang times, all right? So now you know why. It's not because I'm insane in the membrane, all right? I just want to make sure the information goes to everybody. All right, folks. So again, this green circle here on the 1 hour chart is again, okay, folks? This is the battleground, all right, folks? This is the battleground, folks, all right? So again, I suspect in the next maybe 10 to 12 or 14 hours here, we're going to see some nice bullish price action. You know what? Let me check also real quick, guys. Let me see what the China time is right now, folks. Let me see here. Quick Google search here. So currently China is at 7:54 a.m. as of this moment here, folks. So this means that currently China is already in the 420, okay? Currently, hey Scott Ryan, bump up. Thank you, brother. Okay, fist bump. Yes, for sure. By the way, folks, currently China is in 420. Could this be the reason why we are seeing a nice price pressure to the moon side? Do the Asians in China or India, Japan, etc., around in the Eastern hemisphere, or Eurasia, whatever is there, Russia, whatever is, are they aware of the 420? I wonder. I do wonder. But currently, again, China is 7:54 a.m. right now, and guess what? Our China brothers and sisters are waking up, folks, and it's 420 in China right now, and they are waking up. Do you think they are going to light one up and buy the Dogecoin, folks? Do you think the Chinese are going to wake up and buy the Dogecoin and light one up, folks? I do not know. But it could be a very strong possibility, right? It could be a strong possibility. Crypto is officially banned in India. Yes. I have heard about that, because I believe India is going to make their own personal. I believe India is going to make their own national cryptocurrency, right? I believe India is going to make their own national cryptocurrency, but don't quote me on that. Really? It's illegal to trade cryptos in China? Okay. I do know China has a digital yuan though. But anyway. Okay, folks. So let me go ahead. By the way, for everyone who's asking how I'm doing, I am doing phenomenal, because I am sharing my time with you, beautiful ladies and gentlemen. All right, your boy Hey John is doing phenomenal. All right, let's go, folks. Let's go. All right. So again, 1 hour chart. I showed you MACD here. We're seeing some indecision here. Okay, folks. We are seeing indecision. So when you see indecision here, that means, guess what, folks? Indecision means exactly that. I don't know where I want to go, okay? So in the MACD, our bulls and bears need a GPS to figure out, hey Siri, where should I go? Hey Siri, where should I go? Okay, folks? And we need the bulls to take control on the 1 hour, and we're going to see it play out in the meantime, okay? If we see the bulls take control, all right, on the 1 hour chart, okay, that means we may do some consolidation in this price range of about around 3856 up to about 4221, folks, all right? So this means that we may get boring for a little bit and trade sideways for a few moments, okay? And by the way, a few moments on the 1 hour chart is, guess what, many hours, because 1 hour is, guess what, one candlestick. All right, folks. So I'm saying here, the hourly is going to take its sweet time, so you need to be patient, folks. So again, I want to emphasize, you need to be patient, folks, all right? Just to make sure you understand, because this is the 1 hour chart, and guess what? A 1 hour chart takes 1 hour per stick, all right? So let's go ahead and go into the 15-minute chart now, because that is where it's popping, locking, and jumping, all right? The current MACD on the 15-minute chart is, guess what? We were seeing some, I would say, some possible indecision here, okay, on a MACD, but it's okay though, because currently, even though we're seeing indecision on the 15-minute MACD, we are in the bullish territory, folks, all right? And a 12 and 26 moving averages are both trending up, okay, folks? They are both trending up. So this means the bulls are in still slight control, okay, folks? 15-minute chart says the bulls are in slight control, all right? And we are seeing the histogram decrease as we speak, okay, on the histogram. So this means that it is quite possible for the Dogecoin to do something like this in the interim in the 15-minute chart. We can see another dip here and go back up, all right, folks? We can possibly see something like this happens. If this happens, and guess what, folks? This means we're going to see a possible dip to the support of around 3871, okay, folks? So we can see a possible dip to 3871, okay, folks? Let me go ahead and extend this green line here for support and resistance from earlier this morning, okay, folks? Don't forget, 3871 could be a potential support zone, okay, folks? Again, 3871 could be a potential support zone if we follow the 15-minute chart and dip back down, folks. So nothing to worry about. All this means is that we're going to do some consolidation, all right, folks? The 1 hour chart is looking like it wants to consolidate, and there is nothing wrong with consolidation, all right? So I just wanted to make sure you guys understand that. And currently we're seeing a kind of a U formation here, a current U formation happening, something like this happened, folks, all right? Which is looking bullish in nature, but this is kind of what I'm calling the handle portion of the cup. So you know what, we need to see how this pops up, folks. We need to see how this pops out. So yeah. So again, we are currently in the handle portion of the chart here, based on the 4 hour chart, and it's kind of long, and we have already I've already told everyone that the daily and 4 hour are both bullish, and the trend is up. All right, folks. So I believe it's more than likely that the bulls will take control sooner rather than later, okay? But sooner does not mean in the next 5%, all right? When I say soon, it does not mean in the next 5 minutes, okay, folks? Be a little patient, all right? It could take a few hours, all right? Because again, the 1 hour chart is literally doing some, indecision there. So, bulls and bears are fighting right now, all right? So I just want to emphasize that so you understand that, and you don't go YOLO, okay, folks? And make sure that, you never go YOLO, okay? It would not be good for your pocketbooks, all right? So let's be a little patient, all right? But anywho, let's get back to it now, okay? So I wanted to show you that real quick. But on the current 15-minute chart, though, the bulls on the 15-minute chart is looking like they want to take a break, all right? And the reason why I say that is because currently the 50 MA, I'm gonna zoom in, okay? The 50 MA is flat lining. All right, folks. The 50 MA is flat lining. So guess what? When it's flat lining, that means that it's no longer in a upward trend. This means the bulls are getting tired. But if we can consolidate around here in the rectangle, as I mentioned to you before, this will give the bulls a chance to regain the horns. And guess what? When that happens, it is going to be extremely bullish. That is exactly what you want if you are a bull, okay? So this will make sure you ladies and gentlemen get that, all right? So again, just want to make sure you get that. Give your boy a quick second, all right, folks? Give your boy a quick second. He needs to do something, but I'll be here, though. I will be here. I'll be here with you, obviously. I just need to do something real quick, all right? All right, folks, give me a quick second. I'm still here. I'm just looking at something real quick. Give me a quick second. All right, folks, quick second. Your boy's still here. Just give him a quick second, all right? I will be back literally. I'm still here, I mean. I just need to do something real quick. So just give me a quick moment, all right? So be patient, please. It won't take very long. All right, your boy is back. All right. All right, sorry about that. I just need to look at something really quick. But anywho. So again, I just want to emphasize, okay, folks. So again, we want to see the consolidation right around here, folks. All right, we want to see the consolidation around here. If this happens, if we consolidate around this orange, I'm sorry, this grayish rectangle. Wait, I had a brain fart. If we consolidate around this a grayish highlighting rectangle here, this means we are going to go to the upside, okay, folks? But key thing, we need to consolidate around here, folks. Again, so we don't know whether or not it will happen, okay? But again, I want to emphasize that currently on a MACD, we are seeing bearish pressure to the downside, even though we are in the bearish territory. So if we reset on the 15-minute and follow this nice little yellow I guess yellow arrow thing right here I drew, then that means we are going to see a nice price movement up, and this means we will probably break up instead of breaking down. But you can see right now, okay, folks, you can see right now, right? The current MACD on a 15 here, you can see a 12. You can see the 12 breaking down, okay? When the 12 breaks down, that means the bulls are temporarily losing the battle and the bears are in temporary control, all right? And the current 26 on the 15 is, guess what? Also starting to downtrend. It's starting to curl and downtrend as well. So currently on a very short time frame, the bears are in control, or in the very beginning stages of, or in the very beginning stages of taking control. All right, folks. All right. But of course, we did see a nice buy signal here, though. So it's interesting that we are seeing some pullback. But again, don't forget, folks, we are seeing that whatchamacallit, we are seeing that wow, I had a brain fart again. We are seeing the 4-hour and daily are both in the bullish trend, folks. So keep that in mind, all right? So again, just be a little patient and see if we can consolidate in this grayish rectangle I drew, and if that happens, we are going to see a nice upside and the bulls can resume control. Currently, the 50 over the 200 is still on a bullish sector. The 200 is still very bullish, but the 50 is starting to curl back down. So again, I want to reemphasize the bears are taking control in the short term, all right? But long term here, it is very bullish, and the trend is your friend. So this means that even though we see a downtrend here, it'll be, in my opinion, it'll be very slight. We won't see a really big pullback. In my opinion, I believe we're just going to see some consolidation, and then the bulls will get tired and let's pop back up. That is my opinion and what I think is going to happen. But of course, you know what? I never claimed to be a psychic or Mr. Cleo. So take what I say with a grain of salt and do your own due diligence. All right. So now I want to go over into the 1 minute chart and see what's popping, locking, and jumping. All right. So 1 minute chart, we are seeing bullish action happen cycle after cycle. The bulls are definitely not in control. All right. The bulls are actually losing control on the 1 minute chart. Very interesting. Very interesting, because we are seeing very some very interesting price action on the 1 minute chart. Very interesting, folks, because I am seeing lots of buy signals from the bulls, but yet we are selling, but yet we are moving back down. Very interesting. All right, so I'm seeing these nice buy signals. Okay, folks, I see what's going on now. Okay, I couldn't see before because my chart wasn't zoomed all the way out, but let me closer and show you though. Okay, so right here, even though I'm seeing a nice buy signal here, right, I am seeing some wicks right here. Okay, these wicks are indicating that it is a temporary top, and that means the people were hanging around the price between 4143 up to about 4195, and there were tons of sellers, even though we had a nice buy signal. So this is actually a reversal, believe it or not. Okay, even though you saw a nice bullish confirmation, but it is actually a reversal, because as they were buying up, people were selling, but people were selling just as fast as they were buying it up. So that's why I'm saying this is looking like a bullish thing right here, folks. A bearish reversal here, folks. A bearish reversal. So yeah, I would say that the bears are definitely in control now, folks. All right. Holy cow. All right. Let's see here. All right. So again, we are in the bearish zone, and the bears are in control, folks. All right. So guess what, folks? All right. We're seeing the 50 cross D200. So again, we were seeing the 50 cross the 200, folks. That means we're going to see a bearish cross, and that means the bears are going to be in control in the 1 minute time frame. Okay, so we need to see how long the bears are going to stay in control. All right. Again, all right, so we have to be patient here, because again, the bears are in control, and you just need to see how it looks. But again, folks, the long term is definitely in the uptrend. All right. So I suspect this current downtrend here will not last very long. And we are starting to see the cross come right now. No bueno if you're a bull, but guess what? Long term though, it is popping. So do not be too concerned, folks. So yeah, we are seeing the MACD here starting to reset, and the bulls are starting to reset here, evidenced by the histogram, and we are starting to move back up. All right. All right. Bye, Felicia. Let's see here. Let's see here. Give me a quick second, folks. Having tons of excitement here, folks. Tons of excitement. All right, folks. All right, all right. So again, we are seeing the the MACD starting to trend back up, folks. All right, looking pretty good overall, though. But we just need to see what is going on. All right, all right. All right, bye, Felicia. Have a nice day, buddy. Have a nice day. Enjoy your life, buddy. Enjoy your life. You do not need to be here if you do not enjoy my work. You can go somewhere else. Bye, Felicia. Enjoy your day. You do not need to waste your time here, folks, all right? If you do not enjoy my work, you do not need to be here. Go enjoy something else and do not waste your time with me, folks. So bye, Felicia. All right. Bye, bye, bye. My boys in sync are saying bye, bye, bye to you. All right. So please, haters, come out right now so you can say bye, Felicia. Okay, folks. Stop being toxic. Stop being toxic in my chat. All right, folks. Because I want to keep a good vibe here. All right. Good vibes. All right. You don't like it. Bye, Felicia. All right. It's all good. You do not need to be here. Enjoy your day. All right. All right. So I'm going to get back to my work now because I have my fun dealing with, ridiculous people who have nothing better to do in their life. So again, I try to keep good vibes all day, every day. And I appreciate you guys that enjoy the same thing. All right. So have a nice day and enjoy yourself. All right. Bye, Felicia. Bye, Felicia. Come on, Bears. Come on out. All the haters, come one, come all right now. All my haters, come one, come all right now. So your boy Hey John does not need to waste his time by reading your junk over and over, right, folks? Come on, all my haters, come out right now. All my haters, come out right now. Come on. All my haters, come out right now. Bye, Felicia. Come on out. Come on out. Don't be shy. Don't be shy. Don't be shy. No negativity. Good vibes only. 100%. 100%. All right. Haters, come on up. Come on up. All right. Bye, Felicia. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. Okay. Okay, come on now. Come on now. Deuces, deuces. Haters, come on out, folks. Let's not waste time, all right? Okay. Bye, Felicia. Have a nice day, folks. All right. Haters, come on out. Come out right now. And let's get this over with. All right, folks? Let's get this over with. All right, all right. Okay, all right. Come on, haters. Come one, come all. Real quick, all right? Okay. All right. I think we're done having some fun here. So I had my fun. Let's get back to the charts because you know what? Haters do not need to enjoy my work. They can go get it somewhere else and pay for it. All right, all right. Okay. Okay. Bye-bye. All right. Let's get back to the charts now. Holy cow. All right, you too, buddy. Thank you, Scott. We need a howl. Smash that like button. All right. Okay, okay. Let's get back to the charts now. Let's get back to the charts now, okay? Aha. All right, another one. Anyways, so again, the MACD is starting to come up, folks. Starting to come up, folks. All right. The histogram is moving up, folks. All right. The histogram is moving up. All right. All right. You know what? Have a nice day too, folks. Have a nice day. So the histogram is moving up, and guess what? We are seeing the move to the upside, looking really good, folks. All right, this means the bulls are starting to take control, but guess what? It is the 1 minute chart here, and we need to see what is going on. All right, we need to see what's going on. Let's see what's going on, folks. All right, so we're seeing the MACD reset up to the upside, and guess what? That means, oh my God, you guys have nothing better to do today, huh? I must say, when Dogecoin is up in full swing, the haters come out all day. It's quite fascinating. It's quite fascinating. I wonder if these people just, sold the pop and, didn't buy the dip or something. Relax, boss. Haha. Bye, Felicia. People don't know how to appreciate. Let's go to the moon. Oh, buddy. At JP Woo, your boy Hey John is very, very calm. I am not even tripping. All I'm saying is that if you do not enjoy my work, you do not need to see my work. It is as simple as that. All right. I do this for free, 90 free. All right. All right. Oh my God. All right. That was actually pretty fun, actually. So, oh man, that's actually quite fun, actually. But anyways, though. So again, the 1 minute chart, we are moving up, and that's looking very, very bullish. All right, folks. So we're seeing higher lows and higher highs, evidence in the MACD, folks. Looking really good now. Looking really good. Oh my God. That's okay. They can watch all they want. They can watch all they want. That's all good, man. That's all good. But anyways. Oh. All right. Anywho. So again, we are seeing the MACD reset to the upside here. So looking pretty good, folks. All right. Overall, looking pretty good. So it looks like the bulls are taking control here. We are seeing these Mario platforms appear right now, and I'm liking what I'm seeing, folks. All right, if you're a bull, this is what you want to see. And even though we saw the bullish cross at the 50 over 200, guess what? The bulls are taking them back, and they're pushing it back almost instantly. Very, very interesting. Very, very interesting, folks. Looking very, very interesting. So by the way, folks, if you're a bull, you are liking what you're seeing. This this upside here is being pushed up right away. We saw a nice downtrend, and immediately the bulls came on and started to push it back up. So this is going to be interesting, folks. I truly believe at 420 we're going to see some nice price action to the upside. So if you're a bull, this is what you want to see and what you're liking so far. So it's very interesting right now, because usually when you see a 50 or 200 cross, usually it goes on for some time. But here, it just wants to go up right away. So it's very interesting, this price action. I would say this is a bit abnormal. John Munson is back. Haha, you the man, bro. Love the vibes, man. Hey, John's voice. Love the vibes. Yes, sir. Love the vibes. Yeah, man. So again, we're seeing some nice price action to the upside. You see here, right? The let me try to zoom in for you to see here. So the 50 is going a little flat here. The 50 is going a little flat, but yet it isn't trending down right away. So this tells me the bulls are trying really hard to take it back. Holy cow. Holy cow. I like that, folks. I like that. You want to see the bulls take it back right away, and it's being evidenced right here, folks, right here. But at the same token, it looks like a little bit of an indecision, folks. Looking like a little bit of indecision. So we need to see in a moment whether or not this breaks up or breaks down, okay? Okay, the MACD has changed it. The MACD has changed its swing via the histogram. So it's pulling back down. So it looks like the bears are going to be in control after all. The 50 and 200. The 50 and 200 will start following it now, folks. The 50 and 200 will start following it, because we are seeing more sales being supported as we go down now. So the bulls are definitely not in control. The indecision is over, and I would say now officially the bears are in control, folks. we are going to see a lower low in the near future, folks. Give me maybe in the next I would say 10 minutes, we're going to see a lower low. So the bulls and bears had a good little tango, and it seems the bears have won, and we are going to start trending down, and we are going to see a lower low, folks. A lower low. So again, folks, we're gonna see a lower low. So just be careful if you're a day trader or something. But if you're like me, your boy Hey John, where you just huddle all day, every day, it is not an issue. It is not an issue, okay? But again, if you day trade, that's cool too. Just be careful, folks. Just be careful. So let's go get them tendies. Let's see if the bulls can. All right, folks. If we break past 3896, that means we are going to go to the downside, folks. 3896, and we're gonna break down to the downside, folks. All right. You do not want to see that, but if it happens, it happens. And guess what? You're gonna see a lower low, and there is no problem with that because it's also seeing, I believe, on a 15 MA we are seeing a pullback as well, right? Where in the 15 MA before, I was saying here in this green circle here, I was saying, hey guys, we were seeing some indecision, and guess what? That indecision has turned into a bullish cycle now, being evidenced by the strong histogram downward cycle. But again, the 50-minute is currently in the bullish cycle. So if we can reset here, it will not matter too much, in my opinion. But again, it sure looks like it wants to go through it though. So we have to be watching it closely like a hawk to see what is going to happen, folks. We have to watch and see what is happening. But overall though, long term is still bullish though. So, you know, I would say that the short term pullback, and I would say that that is not an issue whatsoever. All right, folks, we broke through the support around 3906. So it looks like we are going to be around 3728 is going to be your dip buying opportunity, in my opinion. I suspect we won't break. I suspect we will bounce off there, in my opinion. All right, because if that happens, we are going to see a lower low. I'm sorry, a higher low and another higher low here. So we want to see that happen, folks. All right. At Luis Mendoza, thank you. Even though you don't have to share your knowledge, but you do. I'm learning so much. Great job. All right, appreciate it, man. I want to help people like you, man. All right. The haters can go somewhere else. I do not care about haters whatsoever. You're a hater? Bye. Have a nice day, man. Go watch someone else. Do not waste your time on me, folks. Enjoy your day and get some real knowledge from someone else. And you are more than welcome to pay for it. Again, folks. So we will see a possible higher low here in the next, probably, I would say, maybe 45 minutes to an hour, folks. So we need to be watching it. Oh my God. That's fun. All right. Bruno Minto, thanks, dude. First time I started investing, and I'm also learning a lot with you. You really helped me make the money the days before. Absolutely, man. I am happy to hear you are making some of that moolah. Make that moolah, folks. Make that moolah. Oh my God. That's what I'm saying, man. Why are you wasting time here, folks? You can enjoy yourself somewhere else. So again, folks, I want to reemphasize, in the next 45 minutes or an hour here, we're going to see the 50-minute chart probably consolidate around this nice support around 3722, folks. All right, looking really good. Looking really good, folks. So again, we're just going to have to wait for it and see how it plays out. But again, this is what I expect to happen. So we just need to see how it plays out. And now I am going to go. Ooh, okay. Very interesting. This looks like this. Wow. Okay, this is very interesting, folks. I think this is a reversal, folks. This means that the bulls. This means the bulls are going to be taking control back right now. Wow. This is very interesting. Very interesting. Courtney Steeder, thank you. No, thank you. You're very welcome. You are very welcome. Very interesting. This looks like a bullish reversal so fast. Holy cow. We are seeing some very, very unusual price action, folks. You are seeing very, very unusual price action, folks, happen live right now, folks. Very, very interesting price action, I must say. I must say. Usually, you don't see these reversals this fast and dips this fast. Holy cow. If this happens the way I see it is, this means we're going to start breaking up to the upside sooner rather than later. Holy cow. Holy cow. If you're a bull, this is what you want to see, folks. I'm pretty sure this is going to be our reversal happening right now, folks. All right. Wow. This is very, very unusual price action, folks. Very interesting. But if I see what I see again, I want to say it again, folks. This looks like a reversal to the upside. You're seeing a live right now, being evidenced by the green volume and the red cells. You're seeing equal buy and sell almost instantly. So this tells me people are buying it right now. People are buying it up right now, folks. I'm pretty sure that this is going to be your reversal. If your screen is blurry, adjust your settings by YouTube and YouTube the little gear thing, you know, and change it to 1080p or whatever you have on your device. We are seeing a nice reversal happen right now. I wonder if the Asian people in China are buying right now. I do wonder, because currently it's probably 8:20. Let me see what time it is right now. In China, it is currently 8:27 a.m. I wonder if they woke up and started to buy the Dogecoin, because we are seeing tons of buy volume right now. Very, very interesting, folks. This is very, very interesting price action. Again, I want to emphasize that, not because I am talking crazy, because normally you don't see reversals happen this fast and evidence by volume. So this is very interesting. Let's go. Let's go. But again, this could be fake news, so we need to watch it and see how it plays out. So now I will go in to the blockchain. That is the thing I bought to share with all of you, to have insider information into the blockchain, folks. All right. Let me refresh this thing to see what is going on, folks. Let's see what's going on by refreshing this page here. Let's pull in the most latest data by refreshing this page. Okay, folks, we are pulling in the data. Looking really, really good. All right, folks. You are looking at the live blockchain data happening for you guys right now, okay? Live blockchain data that I paid for to share with all you for 4 easy payments of free. All you need to do is smash that subscribe button if you want to redeem this invaluable offer. All right, folks, that's all you gotta do if you want to enjoy this future content, folks. All you gotta do is very easy, super duper simple. And now, let me see, did I refresh it? 1 second, let me make sure I refreshed it. All right. Now the data is refreshed. Okay, folks, let's check it out, folks. We have 2.92 million people currently in the green, okay, which is 89.47% of the float of the Dogecoin, folks. This means that when you have this many bulls holding and hodling and being over and having over 89%, or you know what, let's just say 90% of the people holding Dogecoin is green, guess what? You are going to see positive price pressure to the upside, folks. It is that simple. In the same token, when you have tons of bears and tons of people who are in the red, you're going to see extreme selling pressure, because selling begets selling and buying begets buying. It is a typical human behavior, because guess what? We are very, very, very fearful animals, okay? And when we see the people run to the crowd, into a little, when we see the people crowd into a little room and be fearful, guess what? That fear spreads like wildfire. That is why I said buying begets buying and selling begets selling. All right, folks? That is what it means if you did not know. All right, folks. All right, folks, we are seeing 202,000 people who are currently in the break-even point, okay? That means 6.22% of float is currently in the break-even, which means they are not making money, and they are not losing money. They are literally in the break-even point. They're just like in limbo. So they have no idea what they're doing. They're just hanging out and hoping that we could, go back to the moon, folks. At Ash, can you take a look at Shiba? It's pumping big. Maybe in a little bit. This is a Dogecoin stream, okay? So let me go ahead and do this first, and I will look at that afterwards if it's on Binance, all right? So again, the break-even price of Dogecoin, you have 202,000 people who are currently in the break-even point, all right, folks? And we have 4.31% of the float, okay, dispersed amongst 142,000 individuals, which means we have 142,000 people who are currently bag holders. But when you compare that to the bulls here, it is pretty much a drop in the bucket. So again, we're going to see more positive price pressure than the negative price pressure, folks. David Lackner, hey, what signs would you look out for before opening a long position, and would you hold overnight? Also, would you take a profit or hold? Great content. Well, you know what? When you say long position, I don't know what you mean. For me, a long position means I'm going to be a hodler for life. For me, Dogecoin is an investment, not a day trade, all right? For a day trade, it means you could swing trade or whatever, or day trade the same day. So it depends on what your strategy is. But for me, your boy Hey John, what I do is I'm a long-term investor. So basically, I look for red days, and I buy the dip on a red day. I only buy the dip on a red day. You will never see me buy on a green day. That is pretty much my strategy. And if you do that, I don't care how it is, you will almost guarantee make that moolah. You will always be in the green if you follow that strategy. It's super duper simple, right, folks? Super duper simple. Anyone can do it. It is not rocket science. You just need to be patient and wait for the trade to come to you. Do not force the trade. And what I hold overnight, absolutely, I hold overnight every single day. I am not concerned with that. But if you are, a swing trader or day trader, yes, you should watch a chart like a hawk. It is that simple. Okay, back to the chart here. So we are seeing, 0.63 price range. Okay, 0.63 up to whatever's to the moon, basically. We have 16 million Dogecoin in circulation dispersed amongst 18,000 individuals, okay? That means we have 18,000 individuals who are currently bag holders who bought above 63 cents, folks. All right? The break-even price is 3854 up to the range of a 638, okay? The average price is 493, and the total volume is 16.93 million Dogecoin dispersed amongst 3,850 individuals. So that means that, we have a few individuals who bought big at the very, very high price. That's kind of why they have so little Dogecoin, right? But you see so little addresses because they bought big, all right? And you best believe these bag holders are going to have more dry powder because guess what? People who know what they're doing, they never, ever go all in. Because when you go all in, you are setting yourself up for financial disaster. You always want to have dry powder to average around, okay? Pro traders always average up and average down, okay? They never just go all in and buy once because you know what? Nobody knows the future. That's why you need to have that dry powder in case. And I always tell you guys and gals here to only nibble and not bite, okay? All right. So over here, we are seeing the price of 0.25 up to about 0.385 here, okay? The average price is 0.309, and this is a total of 11.9 billion Dogecoin, all right? That means that these people are holding 11.9 Dogecoin, all right, folks? Dispersed amongst 178,000 individuals. So you best believe this is going to be a strong support zone, folks, all right? Because these folks are currently in the green, and guess what? When a price gets around here, they are going to want to buy it up so they can keep their profits. All right, folks. Again, I want to reemphasize that we have 2.92 million individuals who are currently in the green. All right. When they are in the green, guess what? They want to stay in the green. So again, buying begets buying. So let's go to the chart and see what is popping, locking, dropping. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, folks, we are seeing some downward pressure here, and guess what? That is to be expected because before we were seeing the MACD reset into the bullish territory. I'm sorry, we were seeing the MACD reset into the bearish territory. So when that happens, you are going to see a lower low and a higher low. All right, folks, that is what is going to happen, folks. And we are seeing that happen right now. All right, very interesting price action. To be honest, very interesting price action because we are seeing selling pressure and buying pressure at the same token. Very interesting, folks. Very interesting. And again, on the MACD, you are seeing a reset again, folks. We are seeing a second bearish cycle, folks. All right. If you are a bull, this is not what you want to see because this is literally just going down, folks. All right. We're seeing a reset here and reset here. Okay. This means you're going to see a lower low and a higher low very soon in the near term future. But again, at the same time, even though this is happening at such a fast velocity, this tells me it's very temporary in nature because the faster it dips and goes straight down like this, like an arrow like this, at a strong velocity, right? This tells me it's very temporary in nature because when that happens, you're gonna see something we like to call a dead cat bounce, and guess what? People like to get a good price. So we're just seeing. So what we are seeing right here is this huge volatility. E-Man Junior Nanye. Thank you very much for a solid info, man. May I ask a question? Is it difficult to transfer or deposit into an actual account after it spikes up? Use crypto.com. Oh, no, I'm sorry. I use crypto.com. Okay, 1 second here. Is it difficult to transfer or deposit into an actual account after it spikes up? What do you mean transfer into an actual account? Are you saying you want to move your crypto.com Dogecoin to say like a Dogecoin wallet or something? Or are you saying you want to move money into your crypto.com account? Because if you want to move fiat money into your crypto account, it should not be an issue. It may just take 2 or 3 days to clear the clearinghouse with the bank and everything, but it just depends on what broker you use. So that should not be an issue. But again, if you are referring to moving your coin on a blockchain from one wallet to another private wallet, it should not be an issue. It may take a few minutes for it to clear or transact or a few minutes for it to transact on a blockchain, but I do not think it'll be an issue for the most part because you're just moving coin from coin. You aren't buying or selling or anything. You probably just have to pay a fee on the blockchain, whatever it may be. But I know for Dogecoin, it's a pretty cheap fee. So, you know what I mean? That should not be a very big concern in my opinion. Okay. Okie dokie. Let's get back to them tennies, folks. We are seeing a nice dip, folks. We are seeing a nice, strong, solid dip, folks. All right, folks? This is unusual, okay? You normally don't see a straight down arrow, folks, all right? This to me means you're going to see a dip buying opportunity sooner rather than later. This means you're going to see a bounce coming sooner rather than later, folks, all right? When you see a strong dip like this, when it goes straight down and you don't see this kind of action where it kind of just kind of just dawdles like this, when you don't see a staircase going down, right? That means when you see a staircase going down like this, that usually means it's a strong downward trend. When you see a straight arrow going down, straight down like this just means there are no bulls, and you are resetting your technicals almost instantly. All right, which is no bueno, but that's okay though, folks. That is okay though, folks. This just means we are creating intense volatility. Okay, folks, the 3473 support is being tapped right now, folks. The 3473 support is being tapped, okay? this has been a strong support for the past, let's see here. Let's see how long it's been. Let me see how long has this been a strong support for? Let's see here. It's been a support for, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's been a support about 5 times, okay? On this 5th time here, will this 3473 be a support, or will we break through it, okay? If you're a bull, you want to come in and buy this dip. If we break through this, it is not looking good, folks, okay? It is not looking good if you are a bull, all right? If we break through this support. But guess what, folks? We're seeing a nice wick on a 15-minute chart here. This is telling me the bulls are waking up and they are recognizing a nice dip buying opportunity, folks. Okay, folks, I'm going to say it right now. I think this is a reversal because we're seeing huge amount of buys, all right? Huge amount of buys as fast as it's coming down. Again, you are seeing huge volatility happen right before your eyes, folks. Very, very volatile. This means the day traders are ripping it back and forth, okay? Day traders are in full swing, and they are trying to make that moolah, folks, all right? When you see this kind of price action, the day traders are on deck, all right? The day traders on deck, and guess what? They're here to make a moolah. Before I told you, when you see a straight down arrow this fast, you're going to see a dip buying opportunity, and usually they call it a dead cat bounce for the most part. And guess what, folks? I called the reversal, and it's happening right now, folks. I believe this is a strong I believe, honestly, this is going to be a very, very strong reversal for sure. Because of the sudden buy down so fast, because of a sudden super duper strong, you know what I mean? A super duper strong sell-off so fast, and the bulls saw it and started buying it right away, folks. This is looking really, really good. Honestly, looking really, really good. And we are bouncing off our long-term support of 3485. So the 5th time is looking like a support, folks. Can we give our Dogecoin a nice blue pill? All right. Can we give our Dogecoin a nice blue pill? All right. Let's go back to it, folks. Let's go back to it. I am seeing a nice confirmation. I am seeing a nice volume confirmation here. So I'm going to say right now, folks, this is looking like a real reversal in my opinion. All right, looking like a really, really nice reversal, folks. I like it. I like it, folks. Looking really, really good. All right, bulls, you need to wake up now, not later. Now, if you want to see it pop back up. So let me go ahead and clean the chart a little bit so you can see a little better. I was just drawing things so you can, I can highlight this and that so you can see it better. But yeah. Looking really, really good right now. Looking really, really good. I like it. I like it. Okay. Again, we want to make sure the support of 3, 4, 5 holds strong. Because if this support breaks, it is not looking good for the bears. I mean the bulls, all right? Holy cow. Holy cow. Again, now we're seeing another sell-off, folks. The bears are back. Okay, folks. The bears are now back in control, folks. The bears are now back in control because we are seeing confirmation of the sell volume. Holy cow. We were seeing buy and sell volume happen in literally minute after minute, folks. This is unheard of, folks. Usually when you see this kind of price action, the day traders are out in full swing. That is what it means, folks. If you're like looking for a swing trade right now, I would say be patient because the day traders are out in full swing right now. So be careful, folks. Very interesting price action. Tons of buy and sell confirmations. Normally you do not see this many happen. I suspect that it's because of our friendly 420 tomorrow, you know. Everyone is buying into the hype, and guess what? When you buy into the hype, you know, that's exactly it, folks. You buy into the hype. And I do want to do a quick commercial break. It's your boy, Hey John, where I jabber opportunities nonstop. If you enjoy this kind of content where you can get the fundamentals and the technical analysis, which is what you are seeing right now, okay, folks? And I also have bought some I also bought some blockchain technology so you can see into the blockchain, all right? I'm buying it to give back to you folks to provide more value. So if you want to redeem this special offer for 4 easy payments of free, all you need to do is smash that subscribe button so you are notified when I drop this fuego content, folks. So let's go and do that. If you enjoy this kind of content, and if you enjoy that blockchain technology where it's provided to you here for free, folks. All right, does not get any, the deal does not get any better than that. All right, folks. And if you like a good deal, you want to make sure you smash that subscribe button so you're notified when I drop these hits. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, let's see if the bulls can take it back, folks. Let's see if the bulls can take it back. The day traders are out in full swing, folks. Full swing. So right now, if you're a day trader, be careful, folks. It is hard to say who's in control right now. Hard to say who is in control. Because day traders are out in full swing in the short-term interim. All right? But if you're a swing trader, right, I would say the trend is your friend, and you are probably going to go back up to the upside, folks. All right? Again, we are bouncing off of the strong support of 3, 4, 6, 5. And guess what, folks? Guess what, folks? We have bounced off the strong support again. And I suppose from here on out, we're going to see some nice price action to the upside. We are seeing a huge divergence from the 50 and 200, folks. The 50 and 200, we're seeing a nice, strong divergence, which means we are going to start seeing some more negative price pressure. But at the same token, the bulls are coming out, the bulls are coming out full swing, and they are, full tilt. The bulls are on full tilt, folks. The bulls are on full tilt because they got slapped on so hard, they are upset. And they woke up and said, forget you guys. I'm coming back up and buying this mug right now. And I do want to say, everyone, folks, if you are making profit, right? If you are making profit and you are a nervous Nancy, a nilly-willy, right? And you have paper hands, your boy Hey John is going to tell you that there is no shame in taking profits, all right? One more time, folks. If you're a nilly-willy, all right, and you are down or whatever is here in your mental, psyche here, losing sleep, right? There is no shame in taking profits because guess what? The next trade will always come. You just need to be patient. If you have FOMO, all right, and you chase a trade, you are going to lose money 95% of the time, all right? So do not have FOMO and do not chase a trade, okay? Be patient and let the trade come to you, folks, all right? Let the trade come to you. Do not chase a trade, all right? All right, all right. So again, I'm not surprised that the bears are taking control here in the near term here, but you know what? If we can see some consolidation around here in the near term, then the bulls can take the control back, folks. That is what it means. And ladies and gentlemen, be careful, folks. The day traders are out in full swing, and you will see lots of volatility, folks. What you are seeing right now is extreme volatility, all right, folks? Again, I want to say one more time, folks. What you are seeing right now is extreme volatility. The day traders are out, okay? This tells me that tomorrow on 420, guess what? Everyone and their mom knows about 420 tomorrow. So you best believe these day traders are going to capitalize on these opportunities, folks. I would say almost 100% guaranteed. They are going to capitalize on these opportunities 100%, folks. So we are seeing tons of volatility. If you are scared right now, if you are in profits, there is no shame in taking profits, folks. No shame in taking profits, folks. So again, I want to re-emphasize that to you guys. Re-emphasize that to you. Yes, sir. Tomorrow is going to be insane, in my opinion here. We are going to see so much. We are going to see so much volatility tomorrow. It's going to be insane, in my opinion here. It is going to be insane, folks. Holy moly. Holy moly. Again, if you are bull or bear right now, be careful, folks. All right. I just want to re-emphasize that in case you are just tuning in and you are new to the channel right now, and you do not know what is going on. So I just wanted to say real quick, so make sure you hear it. Bears are out full swing. Day traders are out full swing. So be careful, which means you're going to see tons of volatility. All right. Volatility is what you're seeing right now. Volatility means you're going to see sharp down candles and sharp up candles. And this makes you nervous because you're seeing extreme volatility, all right? Usually you see bots trying to smooth it out. But guess what? The day traders are out in full swing, and this is why you are seeing such extreme bullish and bearish volume supports minute after minute. So it's very interesting, Very interesting. I suspect 420 is going to be a very, very big day for the bulls and the bears. So tomorrow you are going to make some big money if you're a day trader. And if you're not a good day trader, tomorrow you're going to lose. Tomorrow you are going to lose a lot of money as well, folks. All right. So again, I am not encouraging you to day trade, but tomorrow will be extremely volatile. All right. So be prepared to watch the minute blow by blow, because you can make a lot of money and you can lose a ton of money as well. All right. All right, you know what? I'm going to zoom back out into the 15-minute chart and see what is popping, folks. Let's see what's going on a 15-minute chart here. Let's go. All right, folks, on the 15 here, we are seeing a strong support here, evidenced by a nice wick. All right, I'm trying to zoom in here so you can see here, folks, all right? We're seeing we are seeing a nice wick, all right? This nice wick here was the possible dip buying opportunity. The reason why it was so sharp is because the day traders were out and they bought it instantly. Okay, again, I want to re-emphasize to you, the day traders are out, and that is why you are seeing such extreme volatility. All right, and if you're a new trader here or a new investor or whatever is here, if you haven't been doing it as long as me, you are going to be nervous here when you see tons of volatility. All right, but again, if you're a day trader and you see this kind of volatility, it is extremely exciting, folks. If you are a day trader, when you see this kind of volatility, this is your jam. All right, this is your jam, because if you're a day trader tomorrow, I can almost guarantee you, people are going to make fortunes tomorrow, 100%. It just depends if you're good enough to be a day trader, folks. And again, I want to make sure and encourage you guys to not day trade, all right? Invest. If you day trade, you know what? you are almost going to lose more. You're going to lose more than you gain, almost guaranteed, folks. So just be careful, okay? Just be careful. PPG offices, will you be live tomorrow? Yes. Yes, I will be doing some live day trading tomorrow. Well, I won't be trading, but I will be showing you the charts and everything, because it's going to be extremely volatile. So, I do want to hang around here and hopefully help some of you folks out tomorrow. But again, tomorrow, if you are currently nervous looking at this, folks, if you are currently nervous looking at this here, tomorrow it's going to be way worse, in my opinion, folks. Way worse, in my opinion, in terms of extreme volatility. So just be careful, folks, and plan accordingly. If you plan on day trading, make sure you start planning for your plan, okay? You do not want to go in there half, or I'm sorry, have only one eye open. You want to make sure both eyes are open because, man, when it happens real quick. So I will go back into the 1 minute chart just to see what's going on here and, see what's popping right now because, again, extreme volatility. All right, folks, if you're looking at this chart here from a bearish perspective, right, folks, imagine right here, let me zoom out a little bit, all right? Just to give you an example here, imagine this is your bearish flag, all right? This could be your potential bear flag. If this happens and we trade in this range here, you are going to break down into the downside, all right, folks? I just want to emphasize that and show it to you. This is looking like a potential bear flag, which means it'll consolidate here and break down lower below the strong support of 3468. So if you're a bull, you are going to want to see the 50 MA and 200 MA cross and go back into the bullish cycle. But currently, the 50 and 200 are supporting the bearish narrative. And also, the day traders are out, and you best believe day traders can force a chart because guess what? They have leverage and they are trading on margin. And guess what? They are going to borrow the heck out of it because guess what? When you borrow the heck out of it, you can do a quick trade and you can make tons of moolah real quick. Again, I don't encourage day trading or margin trading, but I'm explaining to you what day traders do because your boy used to do that. And when you leverage margin 10x or 20x or whatever it is, you can push a trade to your favor really quick for a short moment, and thus far creating and inducing panic to your advantage. It happens time after time, folks. Happens time after time. The only question is, are you aware of it? And guess what? If you are aware of it, are you prepared for it? All right? That's all that matters. Are you going to be prepared for it? All right, folks. Let's smash that like button, please. I see over 2,400 beautiful, beautiful ladies and gentlemen here. Let's do a quick smashing of the like button. Can we get 2,000 likes? I see over 2,400 people in here. Can we get a quick smash of the like, folks? A quick smash. Takes you a quick second. Does not hurt your fingers at all. Does not hurt your fingers at all, folks. All right, folks. You're seeing a bear flag unfold right before your eyes. Not what you want to see, but you know what? It's okay. It be what it be. You guys see the bearish side and the bullish side. Da, 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 da. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. All right. We are seeing a bear flag, folks. Not looking bullish, but it's okay, folks. We need to see some consolidation. Not a big deal. Not a big deal. All right. Let's see. The current 1 minute chart is starting to bounce back up in the bearish cycle here. So this means that we're going to see a new lower low and higher low if the cycle completes and we reset into the bearish MACD cycle, folks. All right. If that happens, that means the 3472 is gonna break down, and the support will probably break down, folks. And if you're a bull, you definitely do not want to see this, folks. If you're a bull, you definitely do not want to see this, folks. 100%. But it looks like the bears are having a tinkling of life, and you're tapping the 50 MA, folks. All right, at 378. All right, 378 is the current 50 MA. So let's see if the bulls can take control. But again, I'm not seeing bullish confirmation. But again, we're seeing so many day traders. It's kind of hard it's kind of hard to determine a trend because the day traders are inducing the volumes by buying and selling big right now, folks. So it's hard to say right now. This is not a typical day. This is an atypical day right now, folks. An atypical day. Gaming Revolution, 600K Doge, back at 3 cents, still holding. Oh my god. Holy cow. Gaming Revolutions, you are the MVP, brother. You are an MVP, folks. You are an MVP. Wow, okay. The 50 MA is getting tapped by the bulls, but again, I don't see any bullish confirmation, folks, with the volume being supporting it. So it's hard to say right now. Hard to say. But currently, the 50 and 200 is in the bear cycle, and we are seeing divergence still. So again, we are seeing some sell pressure here, folks. We are seeing sell pressure overall on the 1 minute chart. But again, long term for daily and 4 hour is bullish. So the trend is your friend. Let's see if the trend is going to be the bull friend right now, folks. Let's see. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, folks. Okay, folks. That MACD is trying to cross into the bullish cycle. The histogram on the MACD is resetting to the upside, folks. This is telling me the bulls are getting more power, folks. The bull is getting more power, and we are breaking up to the upside, folks. All right. We are breaking up to the upside because we are seeing some confirmation on the histogram. It was dipping down and it went back up right away. So the bulls really want to take it back into the bearish. I'm sorry. The bulls want to take it back into the bullish territory on the MACD, folks. They are trying really hard, folks. At Kim Chentavong, much love. Thank you so much. Much love. Holy cow, folks. Holy cow. This is getting exciting now. Now it is getting exciting, folks. Modern Prometheus, natural correction. No need to worry. Absolutely. I was telling you guys, this is a pullback and the trend is your friend. It's currently a bull trend. So even if we do dip down, I don't see a strong dip because the trend is your friend. Okay, folks, the bulls are definitely waking up, and we are cracking that. We are cracking that 50 MA, folks. The only question is, can we sustain it? And currently, the 200 over 50 is still. We are still in the bearish cycle on the 1 minute time frame. But the bulls are starting to take control. You are seeing it live right now. The bulls are starting to take control, folks. This is looking really good, folks. I like this. This is what you want to see. The beginnings of the trend being changed, okay? If this continues in the next few minutes, we are going to start seeing a nice upswing to the upside, folks. So if you're a bull, let's get them, folks. Let's get them 100%. Let's get them, folks. Let's get them. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Let's go. By the way, folks, if you enjoy this kind of content, make sure you smash that subscribe button so when your boy drops these hits, you are notified. And guess what? You can come right away and not miss the, the beginning. Because the beginning is when I cover everything. And if you miss some stuff, guess what? You're going to miss what you miss. Because you were not notified and because you did not smash that notification button. It is that simple, folks. That simple. All right. Let's see if we can do some consolidation here, folks. All right. Let's see some consolidation. I want to see consolidation. All right. I am tired of seeing these upward down swings and upward upswings, folks. We want to see consolidation. Consolidation is a good thing. Consolidation creates a smoother trade, all right? We are seeing tons of volatility to the upside and downside, folks. Nenye El Peso, John Awu is a whale. Okay. Come on, baby. Let's go. All I'm gonna say is that long term, if you're a bull, you are going to make that moolah. You buy those dips, and you buy those dips, folks. All you gotta do is buy those dips, and guess what? And guess what? When you buy those dips, you are chilling on those rips, folks. All right. It's very simple. You buy dips and you chill on rips, and and that will make investing that much more. That will make that will make investing that much more enjoyable. Buy dips and chill on rips, folk. That is what I do, and that is why I don't day trade, because I like to chill. All right, chilling is the name of the game, folks. Being intense for every single day trade is exhausting. It is mentally exhausting. But if you want a quick buck, you know what? That is not a bad way to go. But again, be careful. Your boy Hey John will never ever encourage you to day trade. Let's go. Let's go. Stephen Brathwaite. Death by a thousand cuts. Kill him softly. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That is what you want to see on a chart. You want to see a slow chart, folks. All right. When you see a slow chart, it is looking GOOD. Good. All right. GOOD. Good. And one more thing, I want to drop out a quick announcement, because there are so many people in here right now. If you watch my videos and you see weird commentary from WhatsApp or something here, those are like bots, and they're trying to sell you garbage or whatever. So ignore them and report them so they can get reported and report so they go away. Let's see here. Modern Prometheus. 1 is a certainty. 2 is likely. I'm going long. At Modern Prometheus, your boy Hey John believes this year $1 is very possible. Again, all right. Your boy Hey John believes in the $1 holla as well. I believe if all things hold equal, Dogecoin can see $1 holla. All right. Of course, this is your boy Hey John's opinion here, so do not take me for the gospel. And of course, do your own due diligence. Let's go, folks. Let's go. Whales are licking their lips. Absolutely, man. All right, folks. All right, folks. We are seeing some buys coming right now. Can the bulls create another upward cycle? Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. $1 holla. 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 Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And do not forget, folks, you are seeing into the blockchain technology, folks. We can see that we have 90%, basically 90% estimated of the float currently in profit. So guess what? Buying begets buying. People who are selling to possibly people who are selling, day trading, where they sell a pop and hoping to buy a dip, man, those dips are going away. When they sell those pops, guess what? They are buying higher and higher the next time. So their day trading is actually very stressful because they are not making the moolah. They are thinking they're gonna buy dips and sell rips, and no. Those dips are now rips. They're buying a rip and they're selling a higher rip. So that is not what you want to do. All right. Because if you buy a rip and you sell a rip, that means you are chasing the trade. All right. When you chase the trade, you are going to lose that moolah 9 out of 10 times. Believe me, I know. I've been there, done that. Mad Riot Gaming. Twitch has started a ceiling Doge for payment. Amazon owns Twitch. Amazon will be on board soon. Wait, what is a ceiling Doge? What is a ceiling Doge? That sounds very interesting, folks. What is a ceiling Doge? You know what? I am going to Google ceiling Doge because I have no idea what you're saying. I'm curious. What does that mean? Ceiling Doge. Okay. Let's hear. What's a ceiling Doge? Oh. Oh my God. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. Oh, and by the way, folks, if you enjoy this kind of content, you want to make sure you smash that subscribe button so you're notified when I drop these kind of hits, folks. All right. You know what? I am going to reiterate everything again in case you are just tuning in and you do not know the resistance or supports. So I will go through everything real quick. So pay attention. So I do not need to repeat it 55 times. All right. All right. Let's see here. Let me zoom in real quick for you guys. All right. Oops. 1 second. There you go. All right. So on the daily, it is still bullish, folks. The trend is your friend. Wait a second. Actually, what up? Actually, the daily is starting to see some headwinds, actually, folks. The daily on a MACD is seeing some slight headwinds, but very, very slight, folks. Very, very slight. Very, very slight headwinds on a daily here. So a daily is looking like a little bit of a headwind. So it is no longer a bull. Well, you know what? I'm going to say it's a minor bull trend, okay, folks? Since we're seeing a minor pullback in the histogram, I would say this is a minor bull trend. It is no longer as strong as it was, like, I don't know, an hour or two ago whenever I started the live stream. So the trend is changing right before your eyes, folks. These charts evolve minute after minute and hour after hour. You know what I mean? It's crazy. It's crazy. That's why you need to be unarmed like a hawk if you're day trading. Anyways, on the 4-hour chart, let me get rid of stuff so you can see better. 1 second. On the 4-hour chart, on the temporary 12 moving average, it is starting to trend back down, and the temporary uptrend is looking a little more bearish now. It is being supported, folks. On the short term, the bears look like they're in control, but currently the 26 moving average is still higher and trending up. So the bulls have time to turn this around, folks. In order for the bulls to turn around, they need to consolidate around here, folks. All right, the bulls need to consolidate around this rectangular price range if they want to change the trend back to the bull cycle, folks. All right. It is that basic. Bulls need to consolidate at this rectangular price range in order to take back the bullish cycle and to continue it. Currently the 12 is heading towards the 26. And if that crosses, then that means we are seeing a temporary bull cycle unfold. So, you know, we need to be a little patient and see how it unfolds. All right, folks? That's what it means. That's what it means. Let's go to the 1-hour chart and see what is going on, folks. Let's go. Let's go. All right. The 1-hour chart, we are seeing divergence amongst the MACD over the 12 and 26. So this means we are definitely in a bull cycle. On the 1-hour chart, we are definitely in a bull cycle in the bullish territory. So this means the bulls still have time to take back the reins from the bears. All right. They have time. This just means temporary. The bears are currently in control. The bulls still have the opportunity to take it over. All right. But again, you know, we need to see it unfold, and we're seeing the histograms get bigger and bigger to the downside. So again, the bears are in control temporarily, folks. All right. All right, so let me go over to the 15-minute chart real quick. The 15-minute chart. Let's go. Let's go. All right. So for support and resistance, all right, a support around 3.3 is going to be, I would call, a whatever support. All right, the support around 3.359 is going to be a lot stronger. Okay, the support around 3.359 is going to be a lot stronger. The strongest support in my opinion is going to be the 3.482, because this is where we broke out of and where we consolidated multiple times before we broke out of it. The next support or resistance in this case here is going to be 3715, and currently 3715 is acting as a resistance based on this nice little wick you're seeing here. This wick is saying, hey, you know what? If I'm a bull, I'm selling up here because I am not confident in the trade currently. 3908 will be another resistance, all right? If we can break 3908, okay, folks, if we can break the 3908 resistance, then guess what, folks? We are going to see possibly very strongly new all-time highs, all right? So if we break 3908, 45 cents will be on target, and if we can crack that 45 cents, ladies and gentlemen, it is very possible to see 50 cents, all right? But I suspect since we are seeing the current downward trend here, I'm assuming that the bulls are going to be in control, and they are setting up a perfect bear cycle to reset into a bull cycle the following day. The following day is 420, and guess what? When you're seeing the beginning of a new upward trend at 420, it is almost a self-fulfilling prophecy. The bulls are going to take over and buy it up and go to the M-O-O-N. Moon! So that's kind of what I'm seeing here of the potential play, folks, okay? That is what I'm seeing on the potential play. All right, folks, we are seeing where'd it go? All right? So again, I just want to emphasize that and tell you guys so you know what is going on and you are not being blindsided, all right? So you know what is going on. And we can see currently, okay, we are seeing the bulls consolidate around here, you know, and I was saying before, if we can see the bulls consolidate, they can start taking control, folks. We are seeing the 50 MA. The 50 MA is going flat, all right, folks? The 50 MA is going flat, folks. When it goes flat, when the 50-minute goes flat, this is saying, you know, well, one more time actually. When the 50 MA goes from a downward trajectory into a flat trajectory, this means the bulls are starting to take control by consolidating, folks. This is looking good if you're a bull, all right? But again, this is the beginning of a possible bull cycle. The bulls need to come in with more consolidation, and hey, guess what? They need to go to the upside, folks. So we need to exercise some patience, all right? We need to exercise patience and wait and see how the chart develops. That's all you gotta do is see what happens. We are seeing the 200-day moving average come down here at a slower trajectory, all right, folks? A slower trajectory. So this means the bears are losing some momentum, folks. The bears are losing some momentum. And it looks like the bulls are starting to take control. So the longer we consolidate around here, the more likely the bulls will continue and start a new bull cycle. So let's see what happens, folks. Let's see what happens. And by the way, if you ladies and gentlemen appreciate this kind of content and enjoy it, right? You want to make sure you smash that subscribe button so you are notified when I drop these hits, folks, all right? You want to make sure you smash that subscribe button so you are notified when I drop these hits, folks. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Let's go. All right. And by the way, welcome to everyone joining my stream tonight, okay? Welcome everyone joining today. Welcome everyone. Thank you for showing your thank you for showing up and spending your invaluable time with your boy Hey John. He appreciates the love and he appreciates you here, all right? I hope you take away some answers. I hope you take away some knowledge because I am only here for one reason and one reason only. Your boy Hey John wants to give back to the Doge community. That's why he is doing it, and he wants to make sure you learn something. I like this. I like this. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. But from me reading the charts, well, the chat from some of you guys here, it seems like some of you guys are making some money off the plays here. But again, I want to emphasize to people here who are making money off these plays. Be careful, folks. All right, be careful. All right. Do not hold your boy Hey John to a higher standard. Okay. Do not hold your boy Hey John to a higher standard, folks. All right. Make sure you do your due diligence and never believe a thing I say. Do your own due diligence, all right? Do not hold me to a higher power, folks, all right? Ba-dum-bum-bum-bum-bum. And as always, be careful. Let's go, baby. Let's go. I really want to see $1 this year, folks. I really want to see $1, folks. Oh, my God. That'll make my day. La 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 la. Let's go. Let's go. And by the way, folks, I always give you the good, the bad, the ugly, folks. All right. I give you the good, the bad, the ugly. All right. You need to be able to take in all the information and decide what play is the good play. And again, I also want to say for the folks who are just joining, right? If you are up money, right? If you are in the green, and you're being a nilly willy, you have weak hands, paper hands, and you're scared, you have anxiety. Guess what, folks? Guess what, folks? Your boy Hey John says there is no shame in taking profits, folks. There is no shame in taking profits. Capture your gains, and live another day and look for the next trade, folks. All right, look for the next trade. You do not need to have FOMO, okay? Never ever buy rips and then sell rips, okay? That is called chasing the trade. Do not chase a trade, all right? You do that, you will lose 9 out of 10 times, and you'll be mad, and you'll come back here and you'll blame me. And even though you know I've said 1 million times, do not day trade and never ever buy the rip and sell the rip. Yes, sir. This is definitely the people's coin, man. I have folks here from everywhere, man. I have folks in this live stream from everywhere, like New Zealand, Australia, Germany, UK, Netherlands, New Zealand, everywhere, man. Mexico, Colombia, Peru, India, China, man, Japan, Korea. This live stream is amazing, folks. Dogecoin is amazing because Dogecoin goes everywhere, literally goes everywhere. All right, this is amazing. We got Taipei, we got Mexico, we got Lake Tahoe, we got Mars, Tejas, we have Tejas, we got Portugal, Cambodia, Albania, Australia, Colombia, Morocco, Brazil, Auschwitz, Texas, Louisiana, Califas, Philippines, Argentina, Florida. Dang, the moon. We got the moon, Florida, baby, all day, every day. We got the Vietnamese. We got Chile. We got Atlanta up in this mug. Alabama, Massachusetts. Ooh, we got Spain. We got UK, Mississippi, Jupiter, Missouri, Sweden, Bucharest. We got SoCal, Beverly Hills up in this joint. Pennsylvania, Oklahoma, Mongolia, Bangkok. Okay, Samoa. Wait, Samoa. What's Samoa? We got Albania. We got Italy. We got India. We got Ohio. We got Canada. All right. We got New York. We got Tennessee, Dubai, San Diego, Singapore, Tejas, Detroit up in this joint, Brooklyn, New York. Everyone super chat up for John. Yes, sir. We got Kansas up in the joint. Kansas. We got Ohio, Florida. We got Florida, Twin Cities, Sacramento, California, Wisconsin. We got England. We got wow, it is blowing up, folks. We got Brazil. All right. Wow, it's moving too fast, folks. Too fast. Oh God. We got Germany. Yes, sir. Germany up in this joint. We got Paris. We got Arkansas, Orange County, OC. We got Malaysia. We got Sri Lanka, Brazil, Guantanamo Bay. What? Guantanamo Bay. Get out of here, folks. We got Antarctica. Holy cow. Indonesia, Guam, Chicago, Iceland, Portugal, Mississippi, Venezuela, Fresno, California, the moon. Gotham City, Virginia, Queens, New York, Milwaukee, Hawaii. Whoa, 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 whoa. We got South Dakota. Wow, South Dakota. All right, I didn't expect that. We got Madison. We got Somalia. We got New York, Johor, North Dakota, Israel up in a joint, Birmingham, Shanghai. We got Shanghai up in a joint here. We got Pluto. It is so fun. I can't even read this thing. Man, this chat right now is looking like the Matrix, folks. This chat is looking like the Matrix. I can't even read it fast enough, folks. I can't even read it. We got Nigeria. Yes, Nigeria up in this joint. Let's see. We got Sydney, Australia, Baytown, Texas, White House. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Alabama, Amsterdam, all day, every day. North Korea. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Brooklyn up in the joint. We got Indio, Bay Area. All right, all right. We got wow, I can't read it. It's too fast. All right. That's fun. That's fun. That's fun. I love it. I love it. Thank you guys for sharing. Thank you guys for sharing. That was a ton of fun, folks. Ton of fun. All right, folks. Back to the charts because that is what you are here for, folks. That was fun. Thank you for sharing. That was fun. All right, folks. We are seeing the 5. Okay, folks. On the woman chart, looking quite bullish in my opinion because the 50 MA is starting to curl up, folks. All right. The 50 MA is starting to curl up, folks. Looking very bullish in your boy's opinion here, okay? Because we have been consolidating around this area, folks, all right? We've been consolidating around here for a long time. And guess what? Your boy said that if we can consolidate around here, all right, folks, if we can consolidate around here, guess what? We are going to give a chance for the 50 MA to curl back up. And that is exactly what we are seeing, folks, right now. So the bulls are consolidating and they are trying to take the control back, folks. All right. We need to be a little patient and see how it plays out. But currently it is looking GOOD. Good. All right. On the MACD, it went down and it went back up. The histogram is back into the bullish territory. All right. And most importantly, the bullish territory histogram. I'm sorry. The bullish histogram is getting reset on the bullish territory. So this happens. We're going to see a higher low and higher high on the 1 minute chart. If we see that, that's going to be very good for the bulls because we are going, guess what? We are going to go back up in the upside, upside. So in the meantime, we are going to see some more consolidation. So guess what? I always say to you guys, folks, what do I say to you good folks? Boring is money printing, folks. Boring is money printing, folks. Spread the love. John, if tomorrow we make thousands of money, shouldn't we take what we put in? Cause, wait, what? Wait, John, if tomorrow we make thousands of dollars, shouldn't we take what we put in? Cause day traders will sell and we will lose our money. I'm new, need guidance. Thank you. Well, at Spread the Love, I say to you, buddy, there is no shame in taking profits. All right. When I say that day traders are going to be out in full swing tomorrow, what that means is you are going to see extreme volatility like you're seeing right now, okay? Extreme volatility, which basically means it goes up and down very, very fast, okay? Which means you are going to get nervous because volatility makes new people nervous. That's why I say 9 out of 10 times if you day trade, you're going to lose because most people do not have the mental discipline to be calm during volatile times. It is not me being mean. It is just a sad fact. That is why 9 out of 10 day traders lose a lot of their money and they never come back. So again, at Spread the Love, I encourage you not to day trade. But I say to you, if you're making profit, right? There is no shame in taking profit, all right? I never ever encourage day trading, but you want to do it, you do you. Your boy Hey John will never ever encourage it. So don't come back and say I told you to, because I would never say that. Hi John, at 7-Eleven. Hi John. Question: do you think we can hit 50 to 60 cents today? Also, does Binance US have day trading limits? Okay, folks. Do I think we can hit 50 to 60 cents today? Honestly, I don't know, okay? First of all, this is what needs to happen for us to even think about 50 cents, okay, folks? We need to crack, all right, folks? We need to crack the resistance of 3911, okay? Once we crack the resistance of 3911, guess what? We need to get to 45 cents, which was the previous all-time high, and we need to possibly consolidate around there and then crack out of there and break out of 45 cents. If we can do those two things, I would say 50 cents is a very, very strong possibility. But again, we need these two scenarios to play out almost exactly in order for this to happen, folks, all right? Abu Dalis Ali. Everyone pitch in. Let's get John Fogo de Chao. Thanks, John. What is Fogo de Chao? You know, I'm going to look it up. I'm kind of curious. What is Fogo de Chao? Fogo de Chao. What is that? Is that food or something? Oh, a steak. Okay. Oh, Brazilian food. Cool. Very cool. Very cool. Yum. All right. Looks pretty good, man. Yum. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That looks very delicious. Yum. Sorry, folks. I had to take a quick break. I was curious. What was Fogo de Chao? I've never heard before. Oh, man. But again, the bulls are currently consolidating on the 1 minute chart, which is looking fantastic, in my opinion, folks. We need to consolidate and move to the upside, folks. Let's go all day, every day. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. At Josh A. John, they will have to take it from my cold, dead time in hand. Yes, Josh A. Your boy, Hey John, has a similar mentality. But the only difference is they will only take it from my cold, dead diamond paws. My Dogecoin are going to be with me for a long, sweet time, folks. You will not get that unless, man, you just won't get it, man. That's all it comes down to. Because your boy Hey John is trying to create that generational wealth. Okay, folks? Generational wealth, folks. He is not trying to make a quick buck. And one more thing, folks. If you enjoy this content, do yourself a favor and smash that subscribe button so you are notified when I drop these hits, folks. All right? Do yourself a favor, because you want to be here. Because guess what? Nowhere else in the world are you going to get free play by play live streams showing you the thought process of the person doing it, folks. People pay a lot of money for this stuff, and I've been around the block long enough to know that people pay for this crap too. But your boy Hey John does not believe in charging, because he wants to give back to the Doge community, and this is how he is doing it. I wish I was a programmer and I could go in and do some programming for the blockchain stuff for Dogecoin, but your boy Hey John is not a coder. My skill is here, so this is how I'm giving back. This is how I'm giving back to the Doge community. How are you giving back to the Doge community? We all need to do our part if we want to move the Dogecoin up, folks. All right, we all need to do our part if we want to move the Dogecoin up. All right. If you like your investment, you want to do your part, and of course you want to share these videos, because your boy is dropping knowledge here. Your boy is dropping knowledge. So you guess what? We want to share that knowledge with more and more people, because guess what? When you are knowledgeable of that asset you want to invest in, guess what? You are more likely to invest in it. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. What is the word of the day, folks? What is the word of the day? On my day one, folks, what is the word of the day? If you've been with your boy for some time right now, you know what the word of the day is, folks. You definitely know. All right, folks. If you guys want my signature move, I need to see 2,000 likes, and your boy will happily accommodate you guys and give you the powerful howl that will take us to the M-O-O-N moon. So if you want that, smash that like, folks. It is not hard, folks. Not hard. Let's go and consolidate. Let's go and consolidate, folks. Let's go, let's go, let's go. You guys are funny. Three payments of free, free, free. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Free, free, free. You know what? Let me go back into the blockchain, folks. All right. Let your boy Hey John go back into the blockchain, folks. All right. Let's go back into the blockchain and see what is going on, because this is a paid software. This is a paid software that lets you look into the blockchain. So let me go ahead and go back in here and refresh it and see what has changed, because you will not get this anywhere else for free. 90 free. In order to redeem this offer, all you need to do is smash that subscribe button. Let's go, baby. Let's go. All right, folks. We have 2.92 million people who currently are holding 90% of the float, folks. 90% of the folks of the float. Coach Tony Mac, Dogecoin to $1. Shout out from the Philippines. Let's go, John. Keep it hype. Yes, sir. By the way, at Coach Tony Mac, I am not a hype man, but I do like me some good hype, though. All right? I just give you all the truth, the good, the bad, the ugly. At Dean 2900, can you show a time of day comparison over last week for when Doge has run and dipped? Every Doge has its day. Wait, can you show a time of day comparison over last week? Well, you know what? Well, at Dean, 2,900 here. I mean, usually those kind of things, it honestly doesn't really matter, folks. Those things honestly don't really matter. You know, when you overlay with the past, it honestly doesn't really matter, folks, because guess what? Currently, Dogecoin is an all-time highs. So there is no historical reference points. Okay, folks? There is no historical reference point to reference to. So it's honestly irrelevant, folks. Honestly irrelevant. Now, if we had history a month or two ago, right, or even a year ago, yes, that would be a relative thing to look at. But right now, we are in all-time highs, folks. All-time hikes. All-time highs. This means we are in price discovery, folks. Price discovery. Which means we are in unknown territory and nobody knows what is going to happen, folks. That's what it means. All right. So let me get back to the blockchain here and see what it's doing. Okay, we have 6.22% of the people who are currently breaking even, which means they are not making money and they are not losing money. That just means they're in limbo. Held around by 200 it's being held by 202,000 individuals, folks. All right. We have 4.31% of the float who are currently bag holders, which equates to 142,000 individuals. It sounds like a lot. It really does sound like a lot. But guess what? Comparing it to the 90% of 2.92 million, it is really not that much, folks. All right. We have more buying pressure, folks. All right. When you have more people who are in profit, guess what? Buying begets buying. So what that means is you're going to see buying pressure to the upside, folks. And of course, the exact opposite holds true as well. Selling begets selling, right? The more people who are bank holders, they're gonna get tired and they are going to start taking profits. And guess what? The selling begets selling. All right, so we have 0.639620 minimum price here. Okay, held is they are holding about 16 million Dogecoin dispersed amongst 18,000 individuals, folks. The next the next set of bank holders is a price range from 385442 up to 638774, held by 16.93 million Dogecoins, held by 3.8 thousand people, folks. All right, the break-even price is at 0.2505 up to the high of 385404. Average price is 0.309316. Total Dogecoin is 11.9 B for a billion. B for a billion Dogecoin dispersed amongst 178,000 individuals. All right, folks. So the break-even point is going to be a nice buy zone, because these people are not going to want to be in the red for very long. So guess what? You best believe they will have dry powder, and they are going to buy that dip. All right, let's see what's going on. We are still consolidating. We are giving it an opportunity for the 50 MA to come up, looking really, really good. I like that. I like that. That is exactly what you want to see, folks. That is exactly what you to see. Let's go, baby. All right. All right. The 50 MA is curling up, and the price is curling for the 50 MA is around 38403. And guess what? This is going to be a deciding factor. The bulls need to start moving it up and consolidating to the upward side if they want the bulls to continue the 50 MA moving to the upside, folks. The bulls are going to need to buy it up. All right. If you're a bull, you are going to see one. You are going to want to see bulls buy it up. Okay. Bye, Felicia. Oh, bye. Oh, boy. Let's go. We need Michael Jordan. Absolutely. Where in the heck is Air Jordan? Let's go. Slam dunk, please. Don't forget to leave out weed and cookies tonight. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Be very friendly to your local crackhead, folks. Be friendly to your local crackhead, folks. All right, Dre Creator. Oh my God. You almost caught me, man. All right. Ow. I still need 2,000 likes for me to do that, folks. Okay. The Bulls are not in control, but you know what? At my boy, the Dre Creator. This is for you, brother. Woo! Let's go. Let's go. All right, folks. The Bears are taking control, and this is not we want to see, folks. This is not what we want to see. Let's go. Let's go. You're the best guy out there, even better than Lucy. What at Mario D Agostino, what is Lucy? Do you mean I Love Lucy, the TV show? What's Lucy? Not sure what that means. Let me know, let me know. I'm curious. Let me know, let me know, let me know. Alright, folks. Let's see if the Bulls can come back and break up to the upside, folks. Let's see, let's see. We need to see consolidation around the rectangle if we want to see the move up. Lucy on YouTube. All right. Okay. Again. All right. All right. Well, not sure what Lucy on YouTube is, but all right. There is just too much stuff out there to watch, folks. Too much stuff out there to watch. It's everywhere, everywhere, everywhere. Lucy is a Dogecoin YouTuber. Oh, is that right? Okay. Gotcha, gotcha, gotcha. That makes sense. And currently on the 1 minute chart, the bears are still in control because 200 MA is still to the downside, folks. All right. So long term on the 1 minute chart, the bears are still in control. The short term 50 MA is looking it's looking bullish, but the bulls need to consolidate above near the rectangle if we want to push that price up. So let's go. Let's go. All right, all right. Let's see what's going on, folks. Let's see what is going on. Again, I always tell you guys and gals here, boring is money, folks. Consolidation is money printing, folks, all right? You heard it here first, folks. Consolidation is money printing. Consolidation is what you want to see. That is my favorite pattern to see. Consolidation. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Come on, Ummer Fudd. Come on up, folks. Okay, okay. Let's go. Let's go. Que paso? Que paso? 100%, folks. Que paso? Que paso? Que pasa? What is going on? Yes, sir. Add Johnny Albo. Boring is safe. Yes, sir. That's why I say consolidation is the best play. Consolidation is fun. Consolidation is money printing. Because when you do a long consolidation, you will probably break up to the upside or downside. And guess what? When it breaks off to whatever you want to go to, depending whether you're a bull or bear, you are going to make just that much more money. Let's go. Let's go. All day, every day. Let's go. Okay, okay. We are starting to see the 50 MA starting to do a slower uptrend. We are starting to see a curl back down towards the flat position, folks. You do not want to see, if you are a bull, you do not want to see the 50 MA turn flat, because if it turns flat, it is more than likely to trend back down. And if it trends back down, guess what? That means we are going to be in another continuing bear cycle. All right. So again, this is not something you want to see if you are a bull, folks. All right. Something you do not want to see is this 100%. And by the way, if you enjoy this kind of content, getting a play-by-play of the technical analysis, you know what I'm saying? You want to smash that subscribe button so you are notified when I drop these hits. All right, let me go back into the daily here and recap everything. Let's see Let's see how the chart has changed in the interim since we last checked it, maybe like, I don't know, an hour ago or 45 minutes. But let's go through it again and get a quick refresh and see how the chart is playing out through the longer time frames. All right, let's go. Let's start with the infamous daily chart to see what is going down, folks. Let's see. All right. Okay, folks, the daily is having a little bit of headwinds, all right? You're seeing the beginnings of a possible bearish trend, but again, looking very weak for that beginning of a bearish trend. Again, I want to say very weak, all right? Because the 50 and 200 on the daily chart is diverging more and more every single day, and that means you are going to see more price pressure to the upside. Current MACD on a daily is looking bullish as well, because we are still seeing them both trend up to the uptrend, but we are seeing the 50 MA starting to do a little curl to the downside, so it's slowing its velocity, which is looking like the bulls are getting a little tired on the short term. Moving on to the 4-hour chart, let's see what is going on, folks. Let's see. On the, you know what? I'm going to delete all this stuff right now because I don't even care anymore. This does not matter. And let me go here and just delete everything. 1 second. Let's go here and delete everything because this does not matter anymore. All right. Delete. Come on, mouse. Stop playing games with my heart, please. Oops. Did not want to do that, that's for sure. Let's see here. Get rid of this. This is all old stuff. You know, let me zoom in real quick. All right, we are back in business. Okay, dokie. I like it. Okay, folks, let's go back to the 4-hour chart so we can see what in the heck is going on. All right. Okay. So the 12-day moving average on the MACD is starting to curl back down. So this tells me the current short-term time frame, the bulls are not in control. The bears are in control. The 26 moving average is starting to curl down and reducing its velocity. So this tells me the bulls are losing control as well. We're seeing the histogram starting to pull back down as well. So the bears are definitely control on the histogram. But on the bullish side, the 4-hour chart is in, guess what, the bullish cycle. So if we do any kind of reset like this, or let's see here, where we see a reset like this, right, or we see it like this, it is going to be bullish for Dogecoin, and you're going to see a higher low and possibly a higher high if any of these scenario plays out. That is what it means. All right. Now you see this right here, right, where we actually break all the way down into the bearish cycle. Then this means the bears are in control, and the bulls are going to have to try really hard to take it back. All right, folks. That is what it means. That is what This is what each of these yellow lines. When I told you that story, when I told you that scenario, is what could potentially play out, depending on which one plays out. Okay. So if you see these playing out, you know what they mean and you know how to plan accordingly, folks. All right. On the 4-hour chart, though, the 50 is still over the 200, and you're seeing a large and strong divergence towards the upside, which means you're going to see buying pressure to the upside, which in my opinion is overall very bullish. All right. but we are starting to see inklings of bearish presence in the short term. So we need to be careful, folks. All right, we need to be careful, because if we wait long enough, this downtrend, this short term downtrend can last longer than you think. And when that happens, if you're a bull, that means you are going to be holding bags. All right, folks? Your boy Hey John tells you, if you are in the profit, if you are nilly willy, if you are nervous or whatever's, and you cannot sleep at night, sell and take your gains. All right? Because there is no shame in taking gains. All right? Again, no shame in taking your gains, folks. All right? Just want to say it a couple of times so it gets in your head, and you are not concerned about anyone or everyone, only concerned about yourself. All right, folks? So let me go back into the 1 hour chart real quick to see what is popping a locking and dropping a. All right, folks, on the 1 hour chart right here, it looks like a very, very beautiful handle formation on the cup formation currently formed. All right. So again, before I mentioned to everyone here, if you were here earlier, when I highlighted this gray rectangle, I was saying we would see consolidation around here to see the next handle, and when it consolidates around here, we're gonna see it go and break up to the upside. So let me draw it again. All right. So if we consolidate around here, right, this is the handle formation. If it lasts long enough, guess what? We are going to break up to the upside, because guess what? Cup and handles are traditionally bullish in nature. All right. And the fact that we are starting to see inklings of bearish presence just tells me by tomorrow, if the bears aren't in control, then this means the bulls are going to have a nice reset. And on 420, the bulls are going to light the bulls are going to light the bears on fire, folks. That is what it means, in my opinion. So, do your own due diligence and, plan accordingly. All right. So let's go ahead. Let's go ahead and go into the 15-minute chart and see what is happening. ESJ. What will happen tomorrow? I'm sorry. What will happen after tomorrow? Will it dip? Should I sell at high tomorrow? At ESJ, if you are in profit, there is no shame in taking profits. Truth be told, nobody knows what is going to happen tomorrow, okay? Nobody knows. But again, if you were listening here, I was telling you guys that we were seeing some inklings of bearish presence. And if it does not confirm, then the bulls are going to be in control. And tomorrow, 420, which is going to be Happy Doge Day, guess what? They are going to light the bears on fire, and we're going to see extreme volatility. I would say tomorrow is you know what? I'm very certain tomorrow you are going to see extreme volatility, because your boy Hey John used to be a day trader, and he used to love to short everything. So you best believe, if I think it's going to be a day trading opportunity, then other people who have similar mindsets are going to see the exact same thing. And tomorrow is going to be extremely volatile. So be careful, all right? Do not assume that you will get lucky enough to sell at the highest high peak, all right, folks? Do not assume you will get unlucky, because guess what? We are still in price discovery, and we do not know how far or how high this will go, because we are in uncharted territory. All right, folks, uncharted territory. JJ Money, everyone should be on the lookout for an Elon tweet tomorrow. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You are assuming Elon will tweet. If he does, holy cow, we will go to the absolute MOON moon. Nick Stewart, what happens when the 50 and 200 MA intersect? Well, it depends. If the 50 goes over 200, then that's called a bullish cross, and that means you are going to start a bull cycle normally. If a 200 crosses the 50, and 200 is above the 50, that means you are in a bullish cross. I'm sorry, a bearish cross, which means you are going to start a bearish cycle usually. And these cycles can, last depending on, and these cycles can last, depending on the time frame you're looking at. They can last for a few hours or a few days or a few weeks. You know what I mean? So even a few months or even a few years. So it depends on the time frame. So all right, back to the charts, folks. We are seeing a nice. Ooh, what is it here? God. And by the way, if you enjoy this kind of content where I go play by play through every single time frame, you want to make sure you smash that subscribe button so you are notified when I drop these hits. You know what? I cannot remember where I was at, so I will start from the beginning on the 15-minute. It's okay. So on the 15-minute chart here, we're seeing the bulls trying to come back via the histogram. All right? But again, they are not in control yet, and we're seeing a 12-day moving average starting to flatline. So this tells me the bulls are trying to take control. If the bulls can take control and move up to the upside in a bullish MACD territory and reset there, this tells me we are going to break out and see some nice gains today, sooner rather than later. But again, we need to see how it plays out. Currently, right now on the 15-minute chart, it looks like the bulls want to take control. They are literally at the precipice of a great thing, all right? The bulls and bears are fighting tooth and nail for control. So we need to watch it and keep an eye on this, all right, folks? Because this will determine the next cycle. Either we go up and continue it, or we continue the downside and see a lower low and a higher low. G Yang, how much Doge do you own? Honestly, G Yang, I have no idea. I have so many different accounts. I have a bunch of different wallets and everything. I have not sat down and counted, so I honestly do not know. I could not tell you. But one day I should take the time and go through all of those paper wallets and figure it out. But anyway, so let's go back into the whatchamacallit charts now. Okay, so let's see here. Okay, so let's see. I don't see any bullish or bearish confirmation on the volume, folks. Nothing amazing here, but that's okay though. So to me, this looks like indecision. Nothing interesting here, so I suppose we are going to continue to see consolidation because I don't see confirmation to the upside or downside, which is a-okay. All right, let's see here. Okay, on the 50-minute chart here, right? I'm zooming in here so you can see here. The 50 MA is starting to flatline again, okay? So this tells me the bulls on the 50-minute chart are starting to lose that control because we've been flatlining for quite a bit of time and we are consolidating below the 50 MA. So this tells me if this continues, we are going to see pressure to the downward cycle, folks. That is what it means. Okay. So yeah, that is what it means, folks. If we consolidate in this gray area here, we are going to move into the downside, folks. And if you're a bull, you do not want to see this flat blue line go and curl down, folks. You do not want to see that happen, because if that happens, we are going to see a short-term downtrend, where the bears are in full control. And if we cross, man, the bears are in control, and we are going to start a bear cycle. And guess what? We're going to see some more downward price action below. All right. So this is what I see on the 15-minute chart. But again, on the hourly, all this is the cup right here, folks. On the hourly chart, this is a handle formation of the cup. So on the hour chart, no worries. It is fine. It is a-okay. It is fine to consolidate and then break out to the top side, because when you consolidate, you're creating a better base and a stronger base for the future bounce up. All right, folks. This is what you want to see. So I say to you, boring is good. Boring is money printing. Currently on the currently on the 1 minute chart, the 250 is still showing the bears are in control, folks. Still in control. We are seeing the 1 minute MACD start to reset in the bullish territory into the bearish territory thus far, confirming the further downward pressure. If it does reset there, and we see a divide between the 50 and 200, then guess what? We are definitely in the bearish cycle, and we are going to see lower lows and higher lows. And when we see this type of hill, all right, when you see this type of hill formation form, all right, folks, when you see a hill form, this is normally a bearish look, all right, folks. When you see a hill, it is normally a bearish look. Normally, folks. Of course, we can break out, but normally this is a bearish cycle, so that means we are probably going to trend more down. Again, very likely, not guaranteed, very likely. So if you're looking for a dip buying opportunity, you may get one sooner rather than later. And by the way, folks, if you enjoy this kind of content where I go play by play, where I give you insight into the blockchain, and I give you these little plays for free, all you need to do to redeem this offer is smash that subscribe button, and you'll be notified when I drop these hits. And if you value your portfolio, if you want to grow as a trader and investor, and you want this knowledge, you are going to want to make sure you smash that subscribe button. So I want to say one more time, you are notified when I drop these hits. And thank you all for joining me this beautiful Monday. Is it Monday? Yes. Wait, is it Monday? Let me check. Yes. Thank you all for joining me on this beautiful Monday. All right. I hope you are all doing phenomenal. And thank you for spending your invaluable time with your boy, Hey John. I truly appreciate it. And I want to take a quick second to thank all of you right now, because obviously you can do way more and watch way more exciting things. Oops, sorry about yawning. Whoops. All right. Let's see what's going on, folks. Okay, folks, we are breaking down, folks. We are breaking down. No big deals, because you are seeing it coming, and you should not be surprised. If we do break down, I suspect, and I'm hoping that this strong support of 3457 is an actual support. All right, folks. We want to make sure that this 3452, when it dips back down here again, folks, we want to see and make sure that it becomes a support and we bounce off it. We do not want to turn into a resistance. All right. We want to keep our supports as supports. All right. We do not want our support to turn into a resistance, because if that happens, OMG, not good. OMG, not good. Let's go. Let's go. Let's get them chicken tendies, folks. Let's get them chicken tendies all day, every day. Let's go. All right. It looks like we were seeing some Binance system upgrades. How funny. How funny. I suspect Binance is probably onboarding more servers because tomorrow is going to be 420 Doge Day, and guess what? 420 Doge Day, you are going to have amazing, amazing tons of users buying and selling tomorrow, folks. Tomorrow you're gonna see tons of buying and selling. So guess what? You're going to see a huge influx of people. So Binance may be getting more servers to prepare for the onslaught of the Dogecoin army. And of course, the day traders just buying and selling in droves. Yes, sir. Brian Watkins. Binance is manning the battle stations. You better believe it, man. You better believe it, man. Because Binance definitely wants to capitalize on these trading gains. All right, they want to get your trading fees, and guess what? Tomorrow, you are going to see insane amount of trading fees. Bye, 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 bye. What is the word of the day, folks? Bye, bye, bye. The word of the day is bye, bye, bye. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I am seeing quite a bit of shills right now, folks. We're seeing lots of shills in the chat. Lots of shills in the chat, folks. Lots of shills. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Again, if you guys are going to day trade tomorrow, be careful. I will go over the charts in about 5 minutes, okay? I will go through everything, A through Z again. So if you're new and watching, stay tuned. In 5 minutes, I will go through everything, all right? So get your coffee, whatever, because when I go over it, make sure you pay attention. And if you enjoy this kind of content, make sure you smash that subscribe button so you get notified. So you get notified when I drop these hits. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, Lakers. Let's go. By the way, is anyone here a Lakers fan? My God, man, I cannot wait to go to meet a Lakers game in person, man. Man, you guys are funny. I like that. And by the way, if anyone is looking for a platform to buy Dogecoin in, your boy Hey John uses Robinhood. All right, We have tons of Robinhood haters, and that's okay. But your boy Hey John likes it and he uses it. So if you're looking for a broker to use it, you can use my link down below. When you sign up, you will get a Robinhood stock for free on them. You can sell that and buy yourself some Dogecoin. All right, folks. So your boy Hey John uses Robinhood, and if you like what I like, you can use my link down below, make an account, and get a free stock on Robinhood. Okay. JP Wu, let's go, Johnny, go to the moon. Appreciate you, boss. Here in San Diego, yes, sir. San Diego, beautiful country, beautiful. Beautiful city. I like Little Italy. Little Italy is fun in San Diego. Oh, all right. Let's go ahead and go over the charts. Let's go over the charts. So I will start with the one daily chart first and then go all the way back from A through Z. So you want to make sure you take your notes. All right, then let's go. Changing that time frame all day, every day. Let's go. Oakley dokley. Let's see here. What do I see? Okay. On the daily chart right now, we are seeing the histogram on the MACD starting to start a slight downtrend. Okay. If you are a bull, that is not what you want to see. But again, it's very slight in nature, and do not be too concerned with it. All right. Overall, the daily chart is looking very bullish because we are seeing a nice divergence on the 12 and 26 moving averages, and the 50 and 200 are also seeing very, very nice divergence as well. So that means we are going to see price movement to the upside. So let's go ahead and go into the 4-hour chart. The 4-hour chart, because we now know the daily is, guess what, bullish. All right. 4-hour chart, we are seeing a cup and handle play here. All right, cup and handle play. All right, folks. This gray area that I am highlighting in the 4-hour chart is what you see as a handle. All right. So this means that we will consolidate in this zone. If you are a swing trader, it is easy money where you sell in this square. I'm sorry. If you are a swing trader, you can make easy money in this rectangle here, because this is a handle position. JP Wu, San Diego peeps, come and eat at Oi Asian Fusion. Those love our working here. Thanks to Johnny for the love to us. Oh man, thank you. I appreciate every single one of you. I even appreciate my haters. I really do. I really do appreciate the haters, because they gave me laughs. I do appreciate it very much. Thank you, haters. All right. So again, the current 4-hour is this is the current what do you call it? The handle position here. Okay, folks. So we will probably consolidate around here, and when we consolidate here long enough, we will most likely break up to the upside. Oh yes. Oh yes. So the current 4-hour on a MACD is looking temporarily bearish on a short term, because the 12 moving day is starting to come down and angle and curl down to the downside. All right. The 26 is losing its velocity. It is slowing down, even though it's going to the upside, folks. The histogram is losing the histogram is losing its velocity as well, so therefore it is trending down as well. The 4-hour 50 and 200 is diverging. That means you are seeing nice bullish price action. Therefore, you will see nice bullish price action to the upside. And guess what? That is why we are still up where we are at and not coming back down, folks. All right. That is a good thing if you are a bull. 100%, folks. All right. So I've given you the trends on the 4-hour daily. Now I will go to the 1 hour now and give you the blow by blow play. Currently, the 1 hour is looking bullish. I'm sorry, the 1 hour is looking bearish, even though it's in the bullish territory. So this means you do not want to see this happen, okay? You do not want to see this orange line happens. If this orange line happens, we are going to break down below the yellow support of around 0.3453. If that happens, well, guess what? We're going to see more downward price action. If you're bull, you do not want to see that at all. 100%. If you are bull, you want to see this happen. So let me draw for you real quick. All right. You want to see this happen. All right. And the color is going to change to yellow. All right. You want to see the yellow scenario play out, not the orange, folks. All right. If the orange plays out, this means you are going to see a breakdown below the 3464 support. All right. If the yellow plays out, then we may tap the 3464 again and bounce back up, folks. All right. So it can be bullish or bearish depending on how the scenario plays out. Right now, we have no idea. But if I was a betting man, I would say it's more likely that we would see the orange play out instead of the yellow, because currently the daily and 4 hour is having some temporary bearish price action. When I say temporary, I mean temporary. So it makes sense that the orange is more likely due to that reasoning. So let's go ahead and go over to the 50-minute chart here and see what is going on. All right. All right, the 50-minute chart here. Let's see what's going on. The 50-minute chart is looking very bearish because guess what? I drew this little hill for you, and we are almost following it exactly to a T, this hill. So this means we're going to see more downward price action, more downward price pressure. Okay, folks? Near term, that is what you are going to see. However, the 50-minute is starting to increase its descent into the bearish territory with an increase of velocity on the histogram. All right, not what you want to see if you are a bull. All right, we need to see the bulls come and play here and start moving the MACD up, folks. We need to see that happen. All right. So now, also currently on the 50 MA, on the 50-minute chart, is flat lining, folks. Flat lining. Flat lining means neutrality. Means it's neutral. Okay. Flat lining means it is neutral, and means that the bears and bulls are in indecision. Neither one is currently in control. But if we continue this consolidation around here, then the bears will be in. This means the bears will be in control almost indefinitely. Will be in control indefinitely. The only question is how soon. Now moving back into the 1-minute chart, folks. The 1-minute chart here, we are following this hill to a T, folks. We are breaking down on this hill to a T. That is not what you want to see, okay, folks? But you know what? It be what it be, and we see what we see because we cannot hide. We cannot hide from the truth. There is no point in that. So the current MACD is trending down. So I suspect we are going to see a lower low and a higher low sooner rather than later. All right, folks. So if we see a lower low and lower high, this means that we can possibly tap the 3458. If that happens, we want to see a strong bounce to the upside. Okay, folks. You want to see a strong bounce to the upside. If you do not see that, this means the bears are in control, and we are going to continue the orange scenario on the 15-minute chart, and we will continue down and break below this 3450 yellow support, folks. That is what it means. So again, now I have went through all of the scenarios for you, so you know how to plan accordingly for your plays. All right, folks. And currently, the 215, I'm sorry, the 250 are both currently trending down. Okay, folks, trending down. So this means that the bears are in control, and we are going to see more downward price action to the downside. All right, that is what it means. All right. We are still breaking down. We are still breaking down currently. No problemo though. No problemo. We are seeing inklings of the histogram starting to move back up, folks. Starting to move back up. Looking pretty good. Looking pretty good. We need to see us move back up to the upside, folks. We need to move back up to the upside, folks. Let's go. Let's go. And by the way, folks, if you do enjoy this kind of content, make sure you smash that subscribe button because nowhere else are you going to find these play-by-plays, folks. Let's go. Let's go. Bulls need to start waking up. Bulls need to start waking up. Let's go. Let's go. Ah, let's go. Let's go. all day, every day, folks. Let's go, let's go. Let's go, man. Let's go. All right. The bulls are showing some life, folks. The bull is showing life. The bulls are showing life, folks. I like it. I like it. All right, folks. Let's see if the bulls can cross that 50 MA. If the bulls can cross that 50 MA, it is going to look very, very good. Let's go. Let's go. We need to battle around the 50 MA and cross it, folks. Let's battle around it for a few minutes and cross it. Let's go. Let's go. All day, every day. I like it. I like it. Come on. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Okay, the Bulls are definitely showing some life, folks. The Bulls are showing a lot of life right now, folks. The Bulls are showing a lot of life, and they are coming in with that buy volume. Oh, good. Oh, good. I suspect the 50 MA is gonna be gone fairly soon, folks. Fairly soon. Let's go. Let's go. Come on now. Okay, it looks like the 1 minute MACD is starting to trend back down. No bueno. Come on, Bulls. You need to wake up. All right, you need to wake up. I get that we are in a downtrend, but my God, it's been long enough. Come on, Bulls. Wake up and do your thing, folks. Do your thing. Let's go. Let's go. And of course, folks, if you enjoy this kind of content, make sure you smash that subscribe button so you're notified when I drop these kind of hits, folks. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Come on now. Come on. Come on. All right, all right. The Bulls are fighting back so much right now. The Bulls are fighting back so much. Very interesting. Very, very interesting. The Bulls are really trying hard right now. Very interesting how hard the Bulls are trying. I like it. I like it. I like it. Let's go. Let's go. And by the way, folks, tomorrow you're gonna see tons of volatility tomorrow, okay, folks? Tomorrow you're gonna see tons of volatility, all right? If you are a day trader, tomorrow you will see tons of volatility. So make sure you stay safe, okay, folks? If you are going to day trade tomorrow, go in with a plan. Have your supports and resistances, okay? If you are going to day trade tomorrow, go in with your supports and resistance and plan and play accordingly. Because tomorrow it is almost guaranteed you will see tons of volatility. So be careful tomorrow, folks. Be careful. Okay. The bulls are showing more life, folks. The bulls are showing more life right now. Looking real good, folks. Looking real good. If you're a bull, it's starting to look real good, folks. We need to confirm, folks. Let's go. Let's go. Come on now. Let's go. Ah, here we go. Here. If you want to make tons of money off Doge, then just hodl. Yes, sir. Best advice of the day. Just hodl and you will make tons of moolah. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Really? Binance isn't in your state? Interesting, huh? Very interesting. Let's go, baby. Come on now. We're seeing some nice ticking action right now. Nice ticking action. We're seeing some nice ticking action, folks. Nice ticking action to the upside, folks. I like it. I like it. Idaho, really? Idaho does not have Binance? Interesting. I did not know that. Very interesting. Let's go, folks. Let's go. Let's get that moolah. Come on now. We are tapping that 50 MA, folks. We are tapping that 50 MA. It's been so long, I almost forgot what it was like to be a bull. I almost forgot what it was like to be a bull. We are tapping that 50 MA. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's go. All right. It's looking good now. It's finally looking exciting. Thank goodness. I was getting bored out of my mind. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, folks. The bulls are waking up. Let's crack that 50 MA right now, folks. Right now. Let's go. Yes, sir. All right. All right. All right. All right. Let's go. Let's go. Let's have that 50 cross that 200. Let's have that 50 cross that 200, folks. Let's go. Let's go. Let's make that moolah. Make that moolah. Okay. The Bulls and Bears are fighting around that 50 MA, folks. They are fighting around it and they're trading around it, folks. They're trading around that 50 MA, folks, all day, every day. Looking real good, folks. Looking real good, folks. Let's go, folks. Let's go. All day, every day. That is what you want to see, folks. If you're a bull, this is what you want to see. It is getting popping and locking. It's finally getting exciting, folks. Let's go. Let's go. Yes, sir. 50 MA has been crossed, and we are charging towards that 200-day moving average. Let's break that 200, folks. Let's break that red. Let's break that red. Break that red, folks. Let's break that red. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. We had our fun. Now let's go, baby. Let's go. Ha ha ha. Yes, sir. Let's give Dogecoin the blue pill treatment. And let's break that red. Let's give Dogecoin that blue pill treatment. And let's break that red. Let's break that red, folks. Break that red. Let's go. Break that red. Of course, even if we do break that red, we are not seeing the volume confirmation. So honestly, it is hard to say that this is going to be a break up to the upside. So again, we need to see that volume confirmed, folks. We don't see it, it doesn't matter. We need to see that volume confirmation. And if you enjoy this kind of content, make sure you smash that subscribe button so you get notified when I drop these hits. Let's go. Let's go. Come on now. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Come on now. We've been more than patient for you, Dogecoin. We've been more than patient. It's time for you to show us some love. Time for you to show us some love. Okay, is a 50 MA going to be support? It sure looks like it, folks. Sure looks like it. All right, all right. Schwinger, schwinger, schwinger. You guys are funny. You guys are funny. You guys are funny. All right, folks, I am going to cover the highs and lows and the supports and resistance, and I'm going to call it a night, folks. All right, so pay attention real quick, all right, folks. I'm going to go over the supports and resistance, and I'm calling it a night, and you all have a beautiful day, folks. All right, so the supports are going to be at 3282. All right, the next one is going to be 3456. Those are going to be your two next supports. 3456 is going to be your strong support. Next one's gonna be 37. 1 second here. 3723 and 3900. Those four numbers are going to be either your support or resistance, depending on where the candlesticks are. Okay, but the bottom two at 3463 and 3286 are going to be your stronger support. So make sure you stay safe and play accordingly. Of course, your boy Hey Judd will be here tomorrow to live stream. So if you want to catch that bombshell, make sure you are subscribed. I will catch you all on the next one. Take care and have a fantastic evening or morning, depending on where you are from.